Hello, hello. I hope you all people can hear me, right? Hello. I think you can hear me. Let me just see. Yeah. Okay. So sorry for the voice thing. Something happened, but now it is back. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the zbit.com's live stream. Today, we are going to discuss regarding what actually happened in the Davos World Economic Forum, which was the most watched right now, like currently, like past year of 2024, 2025. This 2026 was the most watched, most anticipated one because we are having so many global tension in which where the money will go, how, what about the economic, what about the crypto, what about every of those things has been discussed in that meeting, and I will decode it for you one by one what happened and every of those things. But before starting that, yes, starting this topic, before talking about xyz things, I want you all people to know one thing, and that is what happened on the last trade. Okay, every time whenever I start my live stream, I discuss my last trade, what happened in the last trade, how much we captured, what kind of amount of money we captured, and every of those things. Okay, so first we were discussing something regarding we were watching the crypto, or sorry, coin market cap. Okay, in that they decide that xmrc is having a very good movement. It was for the downside. No, it was not for the upside. We just saw the moment I entered in the xmr. I saw my xyz things somewhere around here we were. Okay, and I could see a very good major swing where our market can come very easily, and that's the exact point for which I went for. I entered at the price of 555 and my target I kept it at 53 5.05. Okay, that was my target for here, and we captured almost, see, I just went for the major swing because that's what I was feeling, but I also pointed out one thing. This is a 4-hour demand zone. We didn't went for this 4-hour demand zone, we just went for the major swing low. Okay, small movement we captured. We didn't capture, I didn't tell you about the major target over here, which can be a 4-hour. I thought that it will not tap at this moment that easily, but it actually did. Okay, it came to the 4-hour demand zone. From here our capturing was just 3.3 3.68 of the fall of the market. If we can see this very clearly, if we enter from here till here, market went 13.38% of market was fall of xmrc, exactly at that place where I given you the trade. We went for a small trade which is just 3.68% of the fall. Not, we left the 10% aside because I was not feeling that confident regarding this 4-hour of like chart. Like I was thinking 4-hour demand, I was thinking it may take 2 to 3 to 4 days to go till the 4-hour demand zone, but actually that day the supply was very good and we captured the 4 hours of demand zone was tapped over here. After that, market went and came to the small supply zone. Again it is falling down. Okay, we will see if we can take entry or we can see any more short side trades in the xmrc. But to be tell you very clearly, this just the smallest trade of 3.68% of fall, and it made us, I made 99.5 USDT from it. Okay, that was the that was the profit which I made from the market, which I can show you in the app as well. This is the app over here. If I close it, let's go in the futures. If this is like, this is not xmr, I want to go into xmr. Okay, let's just go xmr. This is xmr right now. If I go cross down, click on this order history here, can you see this clearly that I made 99.5? see that 0.5% went for the transaction fees in the app. It was actually $100 profit over here, but that 0.5 goes to the transaction. It's not was 0.5, it was something, because I made 100. I could have, like, my target was 100, but from that it came 99.5. That means I'm calculating like somewhere around 0.5 was the transaction fee, which Zbit took, and rest 199.5 profit gave to me. Okay, so this was my yesterday's trade. For all the people, if you want to enter at such places, if you want to make profit over here, okay, if you want to make profit from this platform and you want to trade it with me, join my live stream. If you come on my live stream, if you join my live stream, then only you will see how good you can earn profit side by side, learning as well. Okay, that's what the live stream aims at. Live stream aids at providing educations regarding the crypto trading, how to do it, every other thing, make it in the most simplest form. And plus on top of that, I also provide you live trades. Okay, so that's for the last trade what we took. This was the last trade what we took discussing in the market, that how I earned 99, like started with 100, now today it is 475. We are very, like, not close, but we are very close to halfway. My half is $500, and from that $500 we will aim another for 1,000, because that's my goal. Challenge to turn $100 into $1,000. That's the goal which I am keeping for myself. Welcome user 712191. Wow, nice username, 712191. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. If you are a new user, do tell me, because I have one Dogecoin completely free of cost for all of you people. The only thing which you need to do is, for me, is whenever a new user comes and makes his first deposit on the live stream over here, if you click on this live stream deposit button, deposit and make a first deposit, minimum $3, then you will be receiving one Dogecoin completely for free of cost from my side. Okay, so for that one thing, what you need to do is just make the first deposit over here, click on this first deposit and deposit the first amount. That's all. That's all you need to do, and you can gain one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Dogecoin is the world's most popular meme coin which is out there. If you want to have a coin which is the most popular meme coin, trading at 0.1 right now, but it has a high potential to reach $1, $2, $3, or maybe 5, maybe 10. It depends on the trend. It's not in the trend right now, but soon it can come to trend, as all the crypto market regulations has been updated, and it is going, like, as you can see the title, the crypto enters a new era now. Okay, so with that thing, if you are getting any coin as a free, just take it, just simply take it, because soon the price is gonna surge, soon the price is gonna go up. Okay, so user 712191, if you are interested in gaining one Dogecoin completely for free of cost, then please make sure to enter the live stream, do the first deposit, and that's all. Minimum 3 USD, and I will provide you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Okay, cool. Coming back over here. So this was my yesterday's trade which I discussed with you all people, and plus one more thing I just want to tell you. If there are some people who are from YouTube, because sometime, like, I have seen recently last two times there was some comments on the YouTube section. Okay, I just want to tell you regarding this one time, guys, please understand that I don't watch YouTube comments, okay, that often. I watch it in like maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes once. More priority is on the app comments. Okay, so if you want prioritize from myself, and if you want my attention and response to your whatever doubts, whatever question, the people who are watching from the YouTube, please connect yourself with the Zbit app. Download Zbit app, come on the live stream in the Zbit app, and because I mostly watch that the comments which are in the app, that's all. Okay, very hardly I watch the YouTube comment, because there are so many things which I have to watch. So for that, please download the Zbit, come on the platform, join my live stream, and whenever I give you trade, it will be more simpler for you to take a trade as well, because that's one click away. That's all. Whenever I give you trade, you can just click one click and you can enter at that trade as well. Plus deposit in my app, I will provide you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Okay, Zbit is a crypto exchange platform We are not an independent channel which is just here for giving you market updates or giving you or teaching you trading or something like that. No, we are not an independent channel. This is a company channel called as zbit.com, which is a crypto exchange platform, allows you to start your crypto journey, okay, and make amazing amount of profit, because this is the most profitable market out there. Your stock market, your stock market or your indices or your commodities, none of them are that as much as profitable as a crypto market, okay. With one single trades you can earn up to more than 100 dollars profit, and it's in front of you. I just captured 3.68% and I earned 100 USDT from it, almost like 99.5. I earned 100, but 0.5 went for the transaction fees, okay. You have that opportunity to earn more money than this. This is small money. To be very fair, comparing or understanding the crypto market, this $100 is very less. People earn $10,000, $50,000, $60,000 in one single trade, and that is possible. The game is quantity and the investment. If your investment is good, your profit will be the best. If your investment is less, your profit will be very less. Okay, so the game is in the investment. Don't get afraid, because I see a lot of people, they have this one thing, like they don't trust crypto market till now point, but I'm gonna change that fact for today. For all of you people, the one who don't trust the cryptocurrency, the one who don't trust the crypto trading, I will change your thought today, because that's exactly what today's topic is. Crypto has entered a new era. Something big has happened. Like I was telling you, like I've talked about this news itself 3 days ago. Like there will be changes in the market. Till now point we haven't seen the changes, but the changes will be soon. Why? I will tell you. See, in the Davos meeting, there were a heavy discussion regarding cryptocurrency, crypto regulations, new acts, plus what to do regarding this. Shall we make it in the, because till now point it was like a more of experimental currency, experimental trading, experimental transaction, everything was very experimental. We never like made cryptocurrency as a very legit thing. Like even though there were a lot of platforms which were allowing like we accept cryptocurrency, but nobody was ready to provide it. Why? See, just for a simple transactions, like for example, you want to go and you want to buy clothes, you want to be at restaurant, or you want to buy car, or you want to buy property. Nobody would like to pay something which is way valuable than just a simple car, just a house or something like that. Why? Because cryptocurrency is one of that currency which is not stopping. It is growing, and till now point, even in the Davos meeting, it was said by a lot of like BlackRock CEO, like Binance CEO, and there were a lot of CEOs who mentioned this thing, that till now point, the real strength of Bitcoin has not yet come. There is still so more of a cryptocurrency which is yet to grow. That means even if the coin is trading at, let's go at BTC for example. Bitcoin. Okay. This was my BTC short trade. 1 second. I'll just delete these things. We don't need these things. Okay. Even if you look at the BTC right now, it is at 89. Okay, it went below 90, and that's really okay. But we will soon I'm telling, we will be able to see a breakout from over here. Okay, soon. Make sure to grab this breakout. If you are not grabbing this breakout, then I don't know what are you gonna grab. This is a very huge breakout which is soon gonna come in the market. Very soon it is gonna come. This is a bearish flag pattern, and this bearish flag pattern is gonna give you a breakout for the downside. We hopefully will see market coming at 978, hopefully, because that is the main demand zone which is yet to be tapped by the market yet. Welcome users 789294, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. Welcome everybody. So as I was telling you, in the BTC, even if you see like a single coin of BTC is worth over right now 89k. In that meeting, in the Davos meeting, it was said that even if the market is at 150, 160, it is still, there is so much growth of BTC is yet to come. And not just BTC, but the rest of the altcoin as well, which we were hoping that altcoin news will come soon. Because like the fact was going on, the Ethereum and the Bitcoin were the two only coin which had a major use cases in everywhere. And other altcoin which were not like given that big attention compared to the Bitcoin and compared to the Ethereum. But in the Davos meeting, it was said as well that the altcoin season will come very, very soon as well. Let's jump to what was discussed in the Davos meeting and what are the changes which cryptocurrency will have, what are the new laws will come into the market, each and every of those things. Let's discuss at right now, please. Okay. But in the Davos meeting, it was said as well that the altcoin season will come very, very soon as well. Let's jump to what was discussed in the Davos meeting and what are the changes which cryptocurrency will have, what are the new laws will come into the market, each and every of those things. First of all, we'll discuss regarding what are the things which Trump discussed, and then followed with we'll talk about rest of the sea, because that Davos meeting is not actually a place where the new rules regulations are formed. It is a place where new rules and regulations are discussed. Okay, so all these things are just discussed, and when this all things will be inside the market, for example, when this will be rules regulation which are discussed in the Davos meeting will imply in the real life, at that time the major movement in the cryptocurrency will be observed. Okay, right now in the Davos meeting, like I said, what is Davos meeting? It's just a world economic meeting in which all the big CEOs, big financial ministers come together. They discuss regarding the world economic, where the money should go, any new things which should be add up. They are going to talk about AI, they're going to talk about the crypto, Web3 and so much not. Okay, in that thing, the major three things which were on the top of that Davos meeting was, first, geopolitical tension happening between the USA and the Europe, the tariff attack which is going on. Welcome user 431055, welcome on the live stream. If you are a new user and you want to earn one Dogecoin completely for free of cost, do tell me, because I can provide you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Okay, अगर मैं हिंदी में बात करूं तो मैं इसका ये मतलब बता रहा हूं कि अगर आप एक नए यूजर हो जिसने अभी तक कोई भी डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है, जैसा आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, ठीक है, अगर ऐसा कोई यूजर है जिसने अभी तक कोई भी डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है, वो मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में डिपॉजिट करके एक डोजकॉइन फ्री में पा सकता है। एंड अगर आप एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर हो जिसने पहले ही ऑलरेडी डिपॉजिट कर दिया है, तो उसके लिए भी हमारे पास एक ऑफर है जहां पे एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर है, अगर आप 20 सिर्फ और सिर्फ 20 यूएसडीटी का डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको मिलता है 10 गुना ज्यादा, यानी कि 200 यूएसडीटी 200 यूएसडीटी मिल सकता है आपको, ठीक है। एक डोजकॉइन फ्री में पा सकता है। एंड अगर आप एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर हो जिसने पहले ही ऑलरेडी डिपॉजिट कर दिया है, तो उसके लिए भी हमारे पास एक ऑफर है जहां पे एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर है, अगर आप वेलकम यूजर 857189, वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम, थैंक यू सो मच आने के लिए। अगर आप एक नए यूजर है तो प्लीज कृपया करके कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं कि आप एक नए यूजर है, क्योंकि मेरे पास दो ऑफर है आप लोगों के लिए। पहला है न्यू यूजर गिफ्ट, एक डोजकॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, और दूसरा ऑफर है एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर्स के लिए जिसमें आपको 20 यूएसडी डिपॉजिट करके 10 गुना यानी कि 200 यूएसडी फ्री मिलता है। ये जो 200 यूएसडी होता है ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ ट्रेड के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, इसका कोई विड्रॉल नहीं मिलेगा। बट अगर आप ये बड़ा ट्रेड लगा के कोई प्रॉफिट कमाते हो, और ये वो वाला समय चल रहा है जहाँ पे बिटकॉइन और इथेरियम ये दोनों चीज में आप पैसा लगा के बहुत सारा पैसा कमा सकते हो। चाहे कितने भी लोग बोल ले कि यार मार्केट तो गिर रहा है, पैसे कैसे कमाएंगे? फ्यूचर ट्रेड करके, क्योंकि फ्यूचर ट्रेड हमें एक ऑप्शन प्रोवाइड करता है जहां पे हम एक जैसा नहीं 2 बार प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हैं। एक प्रॉफिट मार्केट ऊपर जा रही है तब भी हम कमा सकते हैं, और दूसरा जब मार्केट गिर रही होती है हम तब भी पैसा कमा सकते हैं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रेडिक्शन करके कि मार्केट में क्या होगा, क्या मार्केट ऊपर जाएगी या मार्केट नीचे गिरेगी। हमारे पास दोनों ऑप्शन खुलते हैं उस टाइम पे। ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट डिस्कस व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डावोस मीटिंग। तो जैसा कि लाइक आई वाज टेलिंग यू ऑल पीपल, सी आई विल कीप माय लाइव स्ट्रीम इन इंग्लिश mostly because there are international people as well, but whenever you feel like you need my language to be turned into Hindi, please do tell me, if you tell me, then I will talk in Hindi as well. I'll explain you all the stuffs in Hindi. Okay, just you need to tell me that thing. Got it? Cool. So what happened, we will discuss simply what happened in the Davos meeting, and I will keep it very related to the crypto world. Okay, like I told you, in the Davos meeting there were three major points. One was the geopolitical news, which were like the tariff attack was going on between US and Europe for the Greenland thing. Okay, that was the one which widely was discussed. Second was the cryptocurrency, the new regulations. Shall it be included in the traditional finance? Because till now, like as per what they discussed in the meeting, till now the cryptocurrency was an experimental. Like they were just seeing like how it happens, how it works, does it work, will it be widely accepted or not in that experiment. Okay, like for example, you can clearly say like it was a trial period of the Bitcoin. Even in that trial period, a Bitcoin has hit 89k. All time high was like, leave all time high, leave like market reached 126 all time high, leave it. Let's talk about the current market price. Even if the Bitcoin is at what price, 89k, that is a trial period going on. Now from here after, the Bitcoin will be accepted is as a traditional way of finance. Just imagine, just for a trial sake, Bitcoin reached the price of 89k. Imagine if the Bitcoin will be accepted worldwide without a trial. Now the real game will start. Just imagine the price surge of a Bitcoin. People talk about sometimes like it is late for us to buy Bitcoin, but I don't think so that. If the trial period of a Bitcoin, welcome user 814293, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. Welcome. As मैं जैसा आप इंडियन हो तो मैं हिंदी बात करता हूँ. अगर आप नए यूजर हो तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए कि आप नए यूजर हो. मेरे पास एक डोज कॉइन है जो मैं कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ. ठीक है, उसके लिए आपको सिंपल सा एक चीज क्या करना है कि लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, जैसे आप देखते हो कि यहाँ पे एक लाइव स्ट्रीम का ऑप्शन है, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम है हमारा. अगर इस आप लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आके यहाँ पे आप डिपॉजिट करते हो, पहला डिपॉजिट, ठीक है, उस पहले डिपॉजिट अगर आप मिनिमम $3 जो इंडिया के हिसाब से होता है 300 रुपए, अगर आप वो डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको मैं प्रोवाइड करता हूँ एक डोज कॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको एक डोज कॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट चाहिए तो प्लीज मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आके जरूर ये पहला डिपॉजिट जरूर यहाँ पे आके पहला डिपॉजिट जरूर कीजिएगा. मिनिमम 3 डिपॉजिट $3. ठीक है, सो let's just see what happened in that meeting. Each and every of those things I will discuss with you all people. One by one we'll talk what is new thing gonna happen, new laws gonna impose, and how are they gonna affect the market as well. I will give you, I'm not saying that I'm gonna give you commitment, but you can consider it as a commitment as well. Okay, but I'm just gonna give you what market may react, how market may react. Okay, so on Jan 21, US President Donald Trump spoke at the World Economic Forum, which is WEF, in the Davos, Switzerland. This was his first international trip of his second term. Okay, even though there was the tension between Europe, including the Trump again pushing the idea of US acquiring Greenland, he's not done with it. Okay, he still says that he's gonna acquire it, but the only thing is that right now he is thinking of like not to use force. That's he clearly mentioned. New tariff threat against some European countries. His speech focused mostly on strength of the US economy, America leading new technology, and especially cryptocurrency. Okay, so Trump's main crypto message. Trump said that he wants United States to be the crypto capital of the world. A crypto capital of the whole world he wants USA to be. That specifically means the biggest reserve of the cryptocurrency, the like world, like you know this one thing that US dollar is a worldwide accepted currency. Same like he is trying to make Bitcoin for that by creating reserve, by accepting, making a new rules, new regulations, new regulatories, new act according to it, regarding it, so that everyone will focus on one thing. So you have to know one thing. If someone bigger starts to do something, the rest of the people will follow. Same exactly the thing when he mentions that the US, he wants United States to become a crypto capital of the world. That means by following, by creating one trend, rest of the people will follow it. If US state, if the United State accepts the cryptocurrency in the payment, in the traditional way format, in the traditional way of finance, in each and every of those things, they start accepting the cryptocurrency, rest of the currently will do the same. And that's why he wants to make a cryptocurrency as a capital of the United States. Okay, not like capital, crypto capital of the world, United States. Encourage innovation, helps people save and invest money, new ways of American to gain financial freedom. So as you all people know, dollar is very strong. Even after dollar being very strong, he's still thinking that there is a new way for all the Americans to gain financial freedom, and that financial freedom is gonna come from where? From the cryptocurrency only. This is a one very beneficial statement which he has made. Welcome user 107452. Welcome on the live stream. Okay, so he has made that one very big bold statement regarding this, like if you are investing in the cryptocurrency, accepting the cryptocurrency, then you are going to have a financial freedom. That's a very big statement. People used to think that cryptocurrency is a very risky asset, but with that statement that he wants every American to gain financial freedom, which can come from where? From cryptocurrency. Okay, he reminds the audience that he signed a major crypto law last year, the Genius Act. The Congress is now working on broader crypto laws. He expects to sign more crypto legalization very soon. That means what? That there are more and more and more crypto laws are gonna come, and he's gonna make the bill pass. He's gonna sign it, all those things. That means new technology, the cryptocurrency is accepted, plus new law of everything. Like obviously if something new is there in the market, there will be people, government will try to put some laws so that nobody gets drawbacks of it. Okay, so in that thing, new laws. Hello, one second. New law of everything. Like obviously if something new is there in the market, with that thing, new laws are forming for the cryptocurrency, which will he sign most. That means new stuffs are coming for the cryptocurrency, and it will come very soon. That is what that statement means. And when this new laws will come, welcome user from 449275 from Nigeria. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for being a part. I'm discussing regarding what happened in a Davos conference regarding only and only regarding cryptocurrency. What cryptocurrency has impact, what will change in the market, every of those things. Okay. User 857189. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of it. Okay. So first thing he discussed that the Genius Act is made. I will talk about what is Genius Act as well. Okay. On top of that, new crypto laws he is gonna sign. That means they are already working on the new laws which is gonna come. And you have seen this one thing when he got elected. And the first thing he did is made a reserve. That was the first law which he passed for the USA. And exactly at the time, that time when he made a reserve, the first crypto reserve in USA, the whole market jumped up. Now with this new laws coming for the cryptocurrency, we may see a positive market sentiment will come again after the new laws are getting implied. Okay, so let's discuss just like what is a Genius Act. Okay, so Genius Act fully name is Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for the US Stable Coin Act. That is a Genius Act. Become became law on July 18, 2025. It's a first major federal crypto law in USA history. What does this law does? Every other thing we'll discuss. It create a clear rules for stable coins, which are cryptocurrency designed to stay at a stable value, usually equal to $1. Okay, so for those who can issue the stablecoin, banks, credit unions, and some non-bank companies, all must be licensed, supervised by the federal government. Backing requirement: every stablecoin must be backed one on one. That means $1 equals to one that currency only. It should not be above or below. Okay. with a cash, short-term USA Treasury bills or similar every safe assets. Okay. After that, consumer protection, strong rules to protect users, anti-money laundering rules similar to banks as well. Like obviously the bank has anti-money laundering thing. Like if they see something suspicious, they have all the rights to freeze that account, to work on that, to find everything. And if they see that this is a illegal money, they will freeze it as well. Now that same act is on the cryptocurrency as well. So it's not like you, because money laundering was very easy by cryptocurrency, because the government cannot track, the bank cannot see, but this anti-money laundering has been applied on the cryptocurrencies as well. Limit on the interest. Some type of interest paying stable coins are banned, because see, there are some coins which is like massively jumps up, like from someday it will be 0.0001 and straight into from there it will be 10. Now there are a lot of people who buys tokens and they lock it for period of a time. Okay, like for XYZ, like let's imagine like I bought 50,000 coin and I put it in the lock for 10 years. For till the 10 years, I will not touch this coin. After 10 years, whatever interest plus profit I will gain, I will have it. Okay. On that, they have put a limit, because obviously cryptocurrencies are such a profitable coins. Like if you imagine, like you can have a profit of maybe more than 500 plus 500% plus, I'm sorry. So on those kind of coins they have put some limits. You will not, obviously will not earn that huge amount of profit. There are limit on the interest. Okay. Trump called the new law a game changer, saying strengthen the US dollar globally, supports innovation in digital finance. Why? See, there are like people will say this limit to interest will make the profit less. Yes, it will make the profit less. But at the same point, you have to understand what he is doing. He's doing is making a dollar strong in a respect of the cryptocurrency as well, because all the cryptocurrency is only and only traded in the US dollars, which is USDT, the digital form of that. Okay. It is not traded in some other coins, not INR, not yen, yuan, or not ruble, nothing. You only can buy or sell any of the cryptocurrency in the USDT, that is US dollars. Okay. In that thing, the limit on the interest, he doesn't want that any of the cryptocurrency will look more stronger than the US dollar. Even though Bitcoin is already stronger than the dollar, but he don't want the people to accept it. Okay. Reaction from the crypto industries, major companies like including Ripple, Circle, and Coinbase praise the law because it finally gives a clear rules. It reduces uncertainty after years of SE, Security Exchange Commission enforced action. It marks a shift away from the stricter approach of past administration. What new crypto laws are coming next? And this is a very important thing to know for everybody, because this new laws will talk about, if we can see the Bitcoin price will pump up from 89 to maybe reach 100, maybe 120, maybe 130, maybe 140, or it can go down, it can dump maybe up to 70, 60, 50. Okay, that's what we'll discuss over here. What are the new laws? Trump also talked about a broader crypto market law being debated in the Congress. Okay. Trump also talked about a broader crypto market laws now being debated in the Congress. Like they have to discuss if you agree on those things. Like some will throw pointers, they will reciprocate on that, and every of those things will happen. Okay, this law would go beyond stable coins and cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency. Like I said to you, it's not just about the main coin, which is Bitcoin cryptocurrency, or the stable coins of those people like the USDT and all those kind of stuff. Okay? It's not just because of regarding those. It's just not regarding those. Okay, there are still more and more other thing which is gonna come. Possibly legalization includes proposal like Clarity Act. What does this future law aim to do? Decide which crypto asset are security regulated by Security Exchange Commission or commodities regulated by CFTC. Okay, so there are two things: Security Exchange Commission and commodities. So this law will make a clarity like which are those coins are made under the Security Exchange Commission, which will be used for the transactions and everything, and which will be considered as a commodities in the market. Okay, set rules for crypto exchanges, custody services, and wallet providers. The provide clarity on taxes, accounting rules for the crypto transaction, strength, anti-money laundering rules, sanction compliance, and investor protection. So it's same like, see again, it's like slowly, if you can consider this one thing, it is happening like a bank. A bank has a money anti-money laundering thing, which is needed actually, because a lot of, as the cryptocurrency doesn't obey the banking system, we eradicate that banking system because of the blockchain, due to which a lot of things may can go wrong as well, like terrorist funding, the betting games making the changes black to white. Betting game making the black money to white money, so many things can go wrong in the cryptocurrency because it is not regulated properly. There is nobody to supervise it. Okay. Huh. Anti-money laundering rules, sanction compliances, and investor protection. Obviously, the investor who is investing the money, they need protection as well. Like for example, what kind of protection I'm talking about? If, for example, if I am a person who is investing billion dollars in the cryptocurrency, and the tomorrow I wake up and I see the whole market is at zero, at that moment I need some protection, because it can happen because of anybody's influence. It can happen with Elon Musk influence, it can happen with the Trump influence, it can happen with the tariff attack, it can happen with the war escalation situation. In those things I need my money to have some protection. That is basically your investor protection. Okay. Trump said he hopes to sign these laws very soon. A bigger political means Trump comment match his campaign promise to make USA the global crypto leader. He talked about it when he was like basically he was running for the presidency. The like, to be very frank, to be very fair, I'll tell you this one thing. In the Jan 2025, when he got elected again as a president, he talked about one very specific thing, that if you make me a president again, I will do each and every of those things for the cryptocurrency. And now that was the exact moment where a lot of people, even though they don't support the Trump, they still voted for him because they needed a new law, new regulations, and acceptance of the cryptocurrency worldwide. Okay, and that's what he said in the campaign, and that's what he's talking about. All the campaign, all the laws, new laws which he wants to sign. Okay, and very different from the more cautious enforced new approach of the previous regulators. Okay, reaction at the Davos. The audience include global business leaders, central bankers, and policymakers. The reaction was mixed, positive reaction basically. The tech and finance execute like a pro innovation message. They were thinking like this may be a new change for us. New change for us, I think we are still in the traditional way of format, traditional way of finance and everything. This can be a new face of it. A world's in the change. Okay. Market respond positively. Bitcoin and major altcoin rose modestly. It didn't rose that much, but little. Traders saw the speech as a sign of continued US support for the crypto. Concern from the Europe. Europe regulator worried about the fragmented global regulation, weak consumer protection, and stable coins threatening national currency and monetary control. Yeah, like obviously there will be good talker, the people who are talking in favor and India against. India against Europe talk is basically like consumer, as in us, we are the consumer. Investors are the big investors, like you can talk about the BlackRock CEO, the MicroStrategy, JP Morgan, big banks, private banks, national banks, every of those people, they are the investors. Consumer is us. So Europe talked about a weak consumer protection. That yes, we have a very weak consumer protection. A consumer like you and me, they have a very less. I'm saying like what is happening backend. We have 0.00001% of knowledge of what is happening at the backend. We don't know about it. What we see is a upper, like this is a front end. This is a front end where everything what we would look like, okay, I can see candles, they are the price action, that's where the price is moving, but I don't want to see what's happening behind it. What's happening with the investors? Where are they investing? When are they investing? How much they are investing? What is the plan of those? There is a protection of the investor, then why there is no protection of the consumers? Because obviously a consumer also needs a protection, and that's what raised by the Europe, that weak consumer protection is there. Secondly, fragmented global regulation. Fragmented global regulation means like it is not accepted yet worldwide. There are very small, see, USA is not that small, but very less countries have accepted, very less countries have accepted a Bitcoin as a currency. Bitcoin as a traditional form of, like, we can accept this as a traditional form of currency. Let's make a changes. Let's make from today, from tomorrow, from the day after tomorrow. Let's start making the changes, and we will make this cryptocurrency into a new crypto. Make this cryptocurrency into traditional way of finance. Not everybody is accepted. Very small, like that's what I'm talking about. Like a fragmented global regulation. Very small people are doing the regulations, talking about the laws. It is not accepted. Like for example, if USA has made some act, USA has made some laws, it is not accepted in other country as well. They can make their own, so everywhere it will be different rather than everyone will be same. Okay, second thing, third thing, which is talk about stable coin threatening national currency and monetary control. Okay, stable coins, like I told you, stable coin is basically your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. Not even a Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is not that stable, but okay stable. Okay, it's not stable, but consider other stable coin like basically USDT, some which is very equivalent to dollar, like $1 equals to one of this. Okay, so he's saying like, maybe let's just give an example that people are more into, rather than taking the cash, they are more into the digital currency. The demand of the digital currency will increase, which will increase the what, the price as well. Then he just basically saying that momentarily, like not right now, but in the far more future, whenever you go, there will be very less use case of the physical cash and more use case of a digital currency, which will increase what, the supply of the physical cash will go down, and the demand of the supply of the traditional cash will go down, and the demand of the digital currency will go up. Okay, with that thing, what will happen? Obviously, the value of the physical cash will go down. That is our basically the country's currency. Okay, it will go down, and the digital currency price may go up. Right now, it is same. $1 equals to one USDT. Same. But in the far most future, the more we ahead ourselves into the cryptocurrency, into the new regulations, into the new way of finance, new ways of traditional, new ways of finance, new ways of transaction, and slowly, when the whole world will adapt to it, obviously the demand will increase for what, more and more of USDT, which will increase the price, and that's what is talking about, that if the USDT will increase, a digital currency will increase, then the currency which we are having, the country's currency, will lose its value, and to protect its value, we have to do talk about something. Okay, that's what is saying, that stable coins threaten national currencies. National currency is basically USA national currency dollar, India's is INR, Russian is ruble, yen, yuan of Japan or Chinese, I don't know. Okay. So in that, national currency has a threat of the digital currencies. Obviously it has. Once the demand will increase of those, digital currency will increase the value, which will make national currency look more cheaper. The value will be gone, and everybody will focus on the digital currency. Soon there might be a time, like for example, what example shall I give? There is an example of that person. Like I don't know if it's Ghana or there was some currency. There was some currency which I forgot. They just did it. What, they just increase the supply of their cash. They just thought like, if we can print the money, let's just print so much that everybody will have a lot, and they did exactly that. And after that, they lost a complete national currency value. People were selling the notes for very small period of a time, small period of small like price of XYZ currencies. Okay, I don't remember that XYZ country, but there was a country who lost the all currency value, and that's may can happen according to the euro. Okay, so bottom line, the Trump used Davos stage to clearly to say that the crypto is now a strategic priority of US. Okay, other than this Greenland Greenland capturing and the Venezuela attack and every of those things, the main thing which they are heading to in the new traditional finance is including cryptocurrencies. Okay, US wants to lead, not follow in the crypto regulations. Stable coins already have a firm rules like Genius Act. Broader crypto law covering Bitcoin and other are coming soon. Okay, right now the stable coin is basically only and only for the USDT, the one which is very similar like $1. Let's talk about one second. Let's just see examples of stable coins. Already have a firm rules like Genius Act. Broader crypto law covering Bitcoin and other are coming soon. Okay, right now the stable coin is basically only and only for the USDT, the one which is very similar like $1. Let's just see examples of stable coins. Okay, it's basically USDT and USDC, the one which is exactly the same price as a dollar. They are stable. They are the stable coins. Okay. After this, this was for the Trump, what he talked about, and also he said like the stable coins already have a firm rules, which is Genius Act. Broader crypto law covering Bitcoin and other are coming soon. In short, America is possibly officially positioning itself as the world's main hub for the cryptocurrency by law, not just by hype. That means that even though it is just a self declaration that cryptocurrency is not just a hype, not just a joke, not just a trend, not just as any other currency, it is a worldwide accepted currencies which is going to turn into, which he deciding that he want to change United States into the main hub. If United States will accept it, possibly 101% rest of the country will also follow what USA is doing to increase their economic growth, to increase their finance or whatever thing they are trying to do, because they know one thing, that USA knows one thing, that they see a high potential into the cryptocurrency, high potential in the cryptocurrency, which people are not yet able to see. Okay, this was regarding that. Now let's talk about what big people said about the crypto at Davos. Okay, at Davos, basically Davos, you all people know. Welcome user 238478. Welcome user 320957. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. As I was explaining you to all of the people, one thing very specific, that what happened at a Davos मीटिंग, ये डाइवोस मीटिंग एक आप दोनों इंडियन हो, ठीक है, मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ, आप दोनों इंडियन हो इसलिए। तो डाइवोस मीटिंग क्या है? डाइवोस मीटिंग एक वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमिक मीटिंग है जहाँ पे इस पूरे दुनिया के बड़े बड़े सीईओस जिनके पास बहुत पैसा है, बड़ी बड़ी बैंक्स अगेन जिनके पास बहुत पैसा है, एंड हर कंट्री के अपने अपने फाइनेंशियल मिनिस्टर्स और बड़े बड़े मिनिस्टर्स, बेसिकली ऐसे लोग जिनसे पैसा चलता है, ठीक है, जिनके पास बहुत भर भर के पैसा है, ये सारे लोग इकट्ठा होते हैं स्विट्जरलैंड में। ये स्विट्जरलैंड में ही होती है हमेशा मीटिंग, ठीक है। ये सारे लोग स्विट्जरलैंड में आते हैं एंड ये डिस्कस करते हैं कि अभी हमारी वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमिक को और कैसा ग्रो करें। अभी तो हम यहाँ तक आ गए, ये हमारा आज का रिपोर्ट है अभी तक का, अब इसे हम आगे इंप्रूव कैसे करें, हमारा पैसा इंप्रूव कैसे करें, हमारे ट्रेड इंप्रूव कैसे करें, हमारे नए नए चीजें हम इम्प्लाई करके और उससे बड़ा कैसे करें। नई नई चीजें जैसे अब एआई का जमाना आ गया है, तो नया नए एआई की इम्प्लीकेशंस, क्रिप्टो करेंसी की इम्प्लीकेशंस, ये जहाँ पे ग्लोबल पॉलिटिक्स की वजह से जब इकोनॉमिक थोड़ा डाउनफॉल होता है, ग्लोबल पॉलिटिक्स मतलब जैसे ये यूएसए ने अटैक किया, यूएसए ने थ्रेट दिया, यूएसए ने वॉर कराया, सिर्फ यूएसए की बात नहीं करो, अभी यूएसए कर रहा है इसलिए यूएसए का एग्जांपल दिया। ऐसे अगर कोई भी लोग कुछ भी करते, लाइक वॉर का थ्रेट देते हैं, जैसे रशिया और यूक्रेन में चल रहा था, ये सब चीजें मीटिंग में डिस्कस होती है, क्योंकि कोई भी अगर दो कंट्री, ऐसे मेजर दो कंट्री में अगर वॉर होता है तो उनकी वजह से वर्ल्ड का इकोनॉमिक थोड़ा नीचे जाता है, ठीक है। तो इन सब चीजों पे वहां पे बात की गई थी, मेनली तीन चीजों पे। पहले तो था मेन इस पे कि यूएसए और यूरोप के बीच में जो भी टेंशन चालू है, टैरिफ अटैक लगा दिया, उसके बाद में धमकी दे दी कि ग्रीनलैंड ले लूंगा बाय फोर्स, बाय हुक बाय क्रूक, ये सब चीजें गई, जिसकी वजह से क्रिप्टो मार्केट गिरी। उस गिरने के बाद में टैरिफ लगाया, टैरिफ की वजह से और मार्केट गिरी। उसके बाद में डावोस मीटिंग में क्रिप्टो आगे क्या काम करेगा, क्रिप्टो से आगे दुनिया कैसे बढ़ेगी, क्रिप्टो से आगे इकोनॉमिक कैसे ग्रोथ होगी, इन चीजों के बारे में भी बात की गई। ट्रंप ने एक स्टेटमेंट पास किया है कि पहले तो उसने एक चीज क्लियर कर दी जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा रिलीफ है। रिलीफ इस चीज का है कि ट्रंप ने सीधा सीधा बोल दिया था मीटिंग में कि हम मिलिट्री फोर्स का यूज नहीं करेंगे ग्रीनलैंड को कैप्चर करने के लिए। ये एक सिंपली वर्बल डिबेट जैसी डिबेट चलेगी, अपने पॉइंटर बजेगा, वहां से रिप्लाई आएगा, ये अपना रिप्लाई देगा। ये चीजों में अगर ग्रीनलैंड मिलता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर वो टैरिफ अटैक्स होंगे। ठीक है, टैरिफ अटैक एक बड़ा, मतलब एक नहीं नहीं बोल के एक चीज बोलूं, एक वॉर जो होती है, जैसे एक मैंने यहाँ से मिलिट्री भेज दी, ये एक टाइम के लिए ठीक है। टैरिफ अटैक मार्केट को एक्चुअली गिरा देता है, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड का ट्रेड इम्बैलेंस हो जाता है जिस पॉइंट पे इन्वेस्टर्स पैसा लगाने को नहीं देते। ठीक है, बड़े बड़े इन्वेस्टर जैसे कि बैंक्स हो गई, ब्लैक रॉक सीईओ, मैक्रो स्ट्रेटजी, ये जो बड़े बड़े इन्वेस्टर ये तो पैसा नहीं लगाते चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्हें पता होता है कि ये बहुत इम्बैलेंस समय। ठीक है, पहले तो उसने वो एक चीज क्लियर थी कि वॉर तो मैं मिलिट्री से नहीं करूंगा, टैरिफ अटैक से हम बात करते रहेंगे जब तक तो मेरे आगे झुक नहीं जाते, ये एक चीज होगी। उसके अलावा उसने एक चीज बोली है कि यूएसए को वो एक क्रिप्टो हब बनाना चाहता है। क्रिप्टो हब मतलब एक क्रिप्टो का, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं एग्जांपल देता हूं कि अगर पूरे पूरे अगर दुनिया में सिर्फ इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा गोल्ड मिलता है, अगर एग्जांपल, तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, गोल्ड कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, सॉरी गोल्ड कैपिटल ऑफ वर्ल्ड। कौन है, इंडिया है। क्यों, क्योंकि उसके पास सबसे ज्यादा गोल्ड है। ठीक है, ऐसा एग्जांपल ही अब क्रिप्टो करेंसी का है। वो बोलता है कि मुझे यूएसए को एक क्रिप्टो कैपिटल ऑफ वर्ल्ड बनाना है, कि जब भी लोग क्रिप्टो कैपिटल बोलेंगे सबसे ज्यादा वो कहां पाया जाएगा, सिर्फ यूएसए में पाया जाएगा। तो उसके लिए वो क्या कर रहा है, अगर वो एक स्टेटमेंट पास करता है कि मुझे क्रिप्टो कैपिटल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बनना है, यूएसए को बनाना है बेसिकली, उसका मतलब वो क्रिप्टो करेंसी खरीदेगा बहुत सारी। उसने अपना पहला रिजर्व तो बना ही लिया, वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट रिजर्व ऑफ बिटकॉइन उसने बना लिया। उसके पास बिटकॉइन का रिजर्व है, अच्छा खासा है। ठीक है, उसके बाद वो बाकी बाकी करेंसियों के भी रिजर्व जल्द ही खोलने वाला था, इथेरियम, एक्सआरपी, सोलाना, इन सब चीजों के लिए। उसके बाद उसने एक जीनियस एक्ट भी लॉन्च किया है जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टेबल कॉइन का है। स्टेबल, उसने अपना पहला रिजर्व तो बना ही लिया, वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट रिजर्व ऑफ बिटकॉइन उसने बना लिया। उसके पास बिटकॉइन का रिजर्व है, अच्छा खासा है। ठीक है, उसके बाद वो बाकी बाकी करेंसियों के भी रिजर्व जल्द ही खोलने वाला था, इथेरियम, एक्सआरपी, सोलाना, इन सब चीजों के लिए, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक स्टेबल कॉइन्स का है। स्टेबल कॉइन्स यानी अपनी यूएसडीटी एंड यूएसडीसी, ये दो कॉइन्स स्टेबल कॉइन्स है, इनकी वैल्यू ना ही ऊपर जाती है और ना ही नीचे गिरती, ये सेम चलते रहते हैं। बिटकॉइन स्टेबल कॉइन नहीं है, क्योंकि बिटकॉइन की वैल्यू ऊपर नीचे गिरती रहती है बाकी इन्वेस्टरों की इन्फ्लुएंस की वजह से। ठीक है, ये एक चीज। उसने जो जीनियस एक्ट लगाया उसमें इन्वेस्टर का प्रोटेक्शन, कोई एंटी मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का प्रोटेक्शन, ये सब चीजें उसने जो नॉर्मल जो बैंक में इंक्लूड रहती है उसने वो चीजें बस उन पे लगा दी जीनियस एक्ट बोल के। ठीक है, अब इसके आगे उसने एक और चीज की कि नए नए जो क्रिप्टो लॉ है, उसने एक चीज में स्टेटमेंट दिया कि बहुत सारे क्रिप्टो लॉ इस टाइम पे कांग्रेस हाउस में डिबेट की जा रही है। कांग्रेस हाउस एक बेसिकली अपना लोकसभा पकड़ लो, ठीक है, एक ऐसी जगह, एक ऐसा हाउस जहां पे एक पार्टीज होती है या फिर एक टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कशन किया जाता है कि इसको कैसे इम्प्लाई करें, इसके कंडीशंस क्या होगी, इसकी लिमिट्स, इसके रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, ये सब चीजें क्या होगी, ये डिस्कस किया जाता है। तो उसने उस डावोस मीटिंग में एक चीज तो क्लियर कर दी कि डावोस मीटिंग में कि यूएस के कांग्रेस हाउस में क्रिप्टो के नए लॉस की डिबेट इस पॉइंट पे चल रही है। अब ये जब लॉ डिस्कस करके कंप्लीट पावरफुल बन जाएंगे, ठीक है, सारे लूप होल को मद्देनजर रखते हुए, सब टॉपिक को मद्देनजर रखते हुए, सब चीजों को एक के एक नजर रखते हुए, जब ये पूरा लॉ बन के रेडी हो जाएगा तब ये उसे जल्द से जल्द साइन करेगा। और जैसे ही ये साइन करेगा उसका एक इंडिकेशन कहा जाता है कि यूएसए क्रिप्टो करेंसी को नया लॉ, मतलब एक कोई भी चीज पकड़ लो, एक कोई भी चीज को अगर गवर्नमेंट का लॉ लग जाता है मतलब वो लीगल हो जाता है। ठीक है, अभी तक लॉ लगे हुए हैं, मना नहीं कर रहा हूं कि लॉ नहीं लगे हुए, पर लॉ लगे हैं किस लिए? स्टेबल कॉइन्स के लिए, सिर्फ यूएसडीटी और यूएसडीसी के लिए। लॉ अभी तक बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम, सोलाना, एक्सआरपी, इन कॉइन्स के लिए अभी तक कोई लॉ नहीं लगाया गया है यूएस की तरफ से। जो वही वो क्लियर कर रहा है कि अगर इस मीटिंग में उसने ये बोला कि हम बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम और बाकी करेंसी के ऊपर भी लॉ लगा रहे हैं, जैसे ये लॉ लग जाते हैं उस लॉ में किसका फायदा हो रहा है, किसका मतलब कौन फायदे में रहेगा, कौन नुकसान में रहेगा, ये सारी चीजें उसमें डिस्कस की जाएगी उस लॉ में। अगर वो लॉ फेवर में आता है इन्वेस्टर्स के, ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली इन्वेस्टर्स और पैसा लगाने को देखेंगे, इन्वेस्टर्स पैसा लगाएंगे, मार्केट की प्राइस ऊपर जाएगी और इस पॉइंट पे हमें फायदा होगा। ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें हैं ट्रम्प की तरफ से। अब यूरोप ने एक अपना मुद्दा उठाया, ऑब्वियसली भाई एक मीटिंग होती है, कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग होती है, तो एक इन फेवर और एक अगेंस्ट में तो बोलता ही है। अब यूरोप ने अगेंस्ट में बोला है बहुत पब्लिक लोगों के लिए, यूएसए का मेन फोकस था सिर्फ और सिर्फ इन्वेस्टर की तरफ में, क्योंकि वही लोग हैं जो मार्केट का प्राइस ऊपर लेके जाते, ठीक है। बट जो ये लोग थे अपना यूरोप, इन्होंने क्या बोला कि इन्वेस्टर तो ठीक है, मार्केट उठा रहे हैं, गिरा रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट कंज्यूमर का क्या? कंज्यूमर यानी आप और हम जैसे लोग, या फिर जो बीच बीच में जो पब्लिक एक्सचेंज चला रहे हैं उन जैसे, ठीक है, उनके लिए ये बोला कि वीक कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन है, कि हम जैसे लोगों के लिए अगर हमारा कोई नुकसान होता है, हमारा कोई जो प्रोटेक्शन होता है, हमारे अकाउंट फ्रीज हो जाते हैं, जो भी चीज हो जाती है, हमारे लिए प्रोटेक्शन बहुत कमजोर है इस टाइम पे। कल को अगर मेरा अकाउंट फ्रीज हो जाता है तो मुझे वो वापस लाने के लिए नहीं के बराबर मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मतलब बेसिकली, ठीक है, हमारी प्रोटेक्शन बहुत कम है इस मोमेंट पे। सेकंड उसने ये चीज बोली कि अगर हम ऐसे ही क्रिप्टो करेंसी को, अगर मतलब जिस प्रकार से प्राइस और जिस प्रकार से क्रिप्टो करेंसी में मूवमेंट दिख रही है, ऑब्वियसली ये क्वेश्चन सवाल उठाना बहुत जायज था उस पॉइंट पे, क्योंकि जो हम देख पा रहे हैं एक्चुअल में क्रिप्टो करेंसी की प्राइस जब देख पा रहे हैं कि कितना ऊपर, कितने जल्दी ऊपर चल जाता है और कितने जल्दी नीचे गिर जाता है, इन चीजों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हमने उसने एक पॉइंट उठाया कि नेशनल करेंसी को एक बड़ा थ्रेट है स्टेबल कॉइन्स और बाकी क्रिप्टो करेंसी भी बड़ा थ्रेट, यानी कि जब हम इसे अभी वर्ल्ड वाइड एक्सेप्टेड नहीं है, ठीक है, भले ही ये क्रिप्टो करेंसी में कहीं पे भी देश में यूज कर सकता हूं, बट आगे वाला रेडी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी अगर देखा जाए मेजोरिटी की बात करूं, मेजोरिटी के लोग अभी भी क्रिप्टो करेंसी में इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो क्रिप्टो करेंसी को एक रिस्क एसेट के तौर पे ही देखते हैं, ठीक है, अभी तक। बट इस रिस्क एसेट को भी देखने के टाइम पे अगर मार्केट मुझे देख रहा है 89 के पे है, एक रिस्क एसेट 89 के डॉलर पे है, तो सोच लो कि अगर बिटकॉइन को लीगल कर दिया गया कि हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं बिटकॉइन एक डिजिटल करेंसी है जो कि है, एंड वो गवर्नमेंट भी यूज कर ले, तो ऑब्वियसली बाकी लोग भी यूज कर लेंगे, उसको एक लीगल थप्पा मिल जाएगा। अगर ये लीगल थप्पा मिल गया एक ऐसे कॉइन को जो सिर्फ ट्रायल पीरियड के लिए 89 पे है, लीगल स्टैंप लगने पे मे बी वो प्राइस 150, 160, 180, मे बी 200 पार कर सकता है। तो इससे एक थ्रेट मिलेगा। थ्रेट क्या है? नेशनल करेंसी थ्रेट क्या होता है? अब सब सब की अपनी अपनी करेंसी होती है। इंडिया की नेशनल करेंसी है INR, रुपए। यूएसए की नेशनल करेंसी है डॉलर। यूरोप की जहां तक पाउंड है, मे बी यूरो, ना यूरोप की यूरो है, ठीक है। अब इन सब जो पैसा है, इनका सबका जो पैसा है, सबका एक अपनी अपनी वैल्यू है, डॉलर की एक्सचेंज रेट के हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है। इंडिया के हिसाब से डॉलर कुछ 89 का है, यूरोप से तो उससे थोड़ा महंगा होगा, ये इन चीजों के हिसाब से एक्सचेंज रेट बता, ठीक है। तो जब हम वर्ल्ड वाइड एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे लीगली, धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, जैसे हम एक चीज नोटिस कर पा रहे हैं अभी अपने आसपास पे देखते हो, तो मोस्टली हम सबसे पहले ना वो कैश रखते थे अपने पास, सारी चीजें हम कैश में कन्वर्ट करते, कैश में प्रोवाइड करते थे। कहीं भी शॉप पे गए कैश, इधर कुछ गए कैश, वो कुछ हुआ कैश। हम बैंक ट्रांसफर ये सब चीजें बहुत कम करते थे। बट स्लोली स्लोली हमें एक चीज नजर आ रही है कि हम मोर एंड मोर वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड द कैशलेस इन्वायरमेंट। एक कैशलेस का एरा आ चुका है जहां पे भी कोई पॉकेट में कैश नहीं रखा। सारे लोग डिजिटल ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं। एंड स्लोली स्लोली जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी, वो कौन सी करेंसी है? ये डिजिटल करेंसी है, ये कैशलेस करेंसी है। भले ही आप जो अपनी ट्रेडिशनल करेंसी है उसको दो तरीके आप यूज कर सकते हो। आप चाहे तो कैश निकाल लो, या आप चाहे तो उसको डिजिटल ट्रांसफर कर लो। ये आपका दो ऑप्शन है। क्रिप्टो करेंसी में दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं है। क्रिप्टो करेंसी ओनली इज अ डिजिटल करेंसी, आप उसको निकाल के अपने जेब में नहीं रख सकते। ठीक है, अब ये चीज जब हम देख पा रहे कि अपना आने वाला जो एरा चालू है, उनको नहीं फर्क है कि वो उनका पैसा जेब में रहे या ना रहे, वो बैंक से निकाले कि ना निकाले। उनका पैसा बैंक में रहता है, वो हर जगह जाके यूपीआई ये वो चीजें टैप अप कर देते हैं, जिन्हें बैंक कैश जेब में कैश रखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। अब उससे ने एक थ्रेट क्या मिला कि स्लोली 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 लोगों को फिजिकल कैश की नीड जीरो हो जाएगी, जिसका सप्लाई सबसे नीचे गिर जाएगा। कि सप्लाई ही नहीं है, सप्लाई की जरूरत भी नहीं है, क्योंकि उसी की जरूरत। उससे क्या होगा? नेशनल करेंसी की वैल्यू ड्रॉप हो जाएगी। एंड सब के सब लोग कहाँ कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे? डिजिटल करेंसीज में। अब डिजिटल करेंसी की अगर डिमांड इंक्रीज होगी, ऑब्वियसली बात है कि प्राइस इंक्रीज होगा। अब इससे क्या हो जाएगा कि अभी जो स्टेबल कॉइन चालू है कि $1 के हिसाब से एक यूएसडीटी, ये स्टेबल है कि जितना $1 उतना ही एक यूएसडीटी। स्लोली स्लोली हम जब ये चीज देखेंगे कि डॉलर जो फिजिकल डॉलर है उसकी कोई नीड ही नहीं, उसका सप्लाई बंद हो गया, उसका वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो गया, सारे लोग कहाँ चले गए? डिजिटल करेंसी में चले गए। तो स्लोली स्लोली क्या हो जाएगा कि डॉलर का वैल्यू कम एंड यूएसडीटी का वैल्यू ज्यादा। ऐसा हो जाएगा कि फिजिकल करेंसी की वैल्यू कम है एंड डिजिटल करेंसी की वैल्यू ज्यादा है, तो ये प्राइस में डिफरेंस अभी फिलहाल स्टेबल है। फिलहाल $1 मतलब एक यूएसडी फिलहाल। पर आगे जाके ये बहुत फ्यूचर की बात बता रहा हूं मैं, एकदम पकड़ लो 10 15 20 सालों की बात बता रहा हूँ। उस टाइम पे एक ऐसा पॉइंट आएगा जहां पे आपको लगेगा कि यार फिजिकल करेंसी कोई नीड ही नहीं है, तो इसकी वैल्यू गिरा दो या कम कर दो, ये अपने आप ही हो जाएगी और इसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। तो ये क्या है? बेसिकली एक थ्रेट है नेशनल करेंसी को लेकर, कि जितनी भी दुनिया की नेशनल करेंसीज है उसके लिए एक थ्रेट होगा। और सेम उस पॉइंट पे अभी एक चीज आप नोटिस करना कि यूएसए क्यों, व्हाई यूएसए, ओनली यूएसए इज ट्राइंग टू मेक सो मच एफर्ट फॉर मेकिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसी लीगल, for making the crypto capital in the USA, for making the reserve in USA, for making the stable coins, for making blah 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 blah. So many things is trying to do. Why? See, he knows one thing. For very very sure, he knows one thing, that cryptocurrency is gonna boom in the far most future. We are gonna ahead toward. We are gonna ahead in the future. We are gonna make all the transactions possibly through the cryptocurrencies. Okay, in the far most future, we are gonna do that, and it is gonna happen. In that thing, he's trying more and more rules and raw regulations in what? USDT, stable coins. First act was stable coins. In stable coins you see what? US dollar DT, USDC. Again it's related to US. The first more currency, the first digital currency which is useful for making any kind of transactions. You want to buy, you want to sell any kind of cryptocurrency, it will be in the form of USDT, which increases what? A dollar's strength. Even though even though just imagine that guy's future vision of his currency. Even if after 10 20 30 40 50 years the physical currency will go away, the value of the physical currency will go away, that he knows for already. And that's the reason why he's making what? The stable coins law, cryptocurrency capital, every of those things. That means what? Not just physical note, physical currency of the USA is strong, but he's trying to make the digital form as well to be the strongest. He doesn't want any other currency to take over it. He does not want any other currency to take over even the digital currency. In the physical traditional format, we know this one thing, that dollar is the only currency which is accepted worldwide. Now he wants to do the exactly same thing even for the digital currency as well. Understanding my point? That first he made the physical dollar the strongest. Now he wants to make it a digital currency, digital dollar as strong as the physical one, or more than that as well. Okay. Cool. So after this, let's just discuss what the big people said about the crypto at the Davos. At Davos, the World Economic Forum and blah blah blah, the CEOs of the biggest banks, CEOs of the biggest asset managers and blah blah, crypto company leaders, governments, and regulator, they came one thing. Okay, and now what they talked about Bitcoin? What are their opinion regarding the Bitcoin, which is very important to know. Why? Because they are the one who's going to invest. If they talk about positive, then we are going to see a good investment in the market. If they don't, then we don't see a good investment in the market. Okay. Now, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, the biggest signal, I'm talking about. Okay, because he is the biggest to biggest. Like last time's world's biggest inflow in the Bitcoin history was given by him. Somewhere around $2 billion investment in the crypto market. That was the biggest historic investment ever made, was done by a BlackRock CEO. Okay. Now, CEO of the BlackRock manages trillions of dollars. When he speaks, institution listens. Yeah, that's exactly the point, because he's actually talking about, he's that one person who is handling world's wealthiest people. World's wealthiest. He's a financial firm. Okay, he's not something like he has his own currency or something. No, he's just a financial firm. But financial firm of who? The world's wealthiest people he manages, and he's managing basically trillions of dollars together. Okay, what is said simple, in a simple word. Okay, about blockchain. Blockchain should not be experiment more. Like I said to you, like in the Davos meeting, this was highlighted a lot of time, that Bitcoin and every of these cryptocurrencies are actually in the trial period. What do you mean by trial period? That they are still being experimented on. Like, is it okay to make it legal? They are trying in the transaction form, they are trying in the backup form, they are trying into the make the economy, the company's backbone, every other thing. They're trying so many different stuffs with the cryptocurrencies to check if it's actually useful, impactful in the future. Okay. With that thing, what he mentioned is that Bitcoin should not be experimental anymore. That means the trial period of Bitcoin should be over. And from now onward, we should consider it as a real asset. Not even a trial, a real asset. Okay. It should be used as a real financial infrastructure. Like I said to you, rather than using in a trial period, it should be used as a real financial infrastructure. Same level as a stock market and banking system. Even though in this trial period itself, stock market and banking system were destroyed by the cryptocurrencies in the value, not by the system, not by something, just by the value what is carrying in a trial session. Okay, just imagine if this, even the European leaders mentioned that fragmented global regulation, like not everybody is into it. There are very small people, they are making their own rules, their own regulation, which is not accepted worldwide. Everybody has their own thing, which is very difficult for the crypto regulation, because everything should be same, as it's a global currency. It's not a some country's currency, it's a global currency. Okay, so for that he says, like at the same level of the stock market and the banking system. That means, see, stock market is like invested by people with a legal sentiment. What do you mean by legal sentiment? Legal sentiment is basically like they don't have fear for it, for the stock market. They believe in stock market. They have their faith in stock market because they know this company. That company exists. That company is real. That company is growing, or that company, that they can see it. Cryptocurrency they don't believe because it's not real for them. That's what exactly that means. Okay. And banking system, all people trust it. Okay. About tokenization. real asset, stocks, bond, and real estate will move to blockchains. This makes transaction faster, cheaper, and more transparent. That transparency was needed. Every citizen, like more than the investors, more than the investor, I'm talking about, more than this investor, we are the people who requires actual transparency with money. We don't know what bank does with our money. We don't know what is happening with our money outside. How many investors are investing where and blah blah thing. We don't know about those things. Okay. Now in this scenario, we are the one who needs a transparency which can come by the tokenization. Tokenization of stocks, bonds, real estate as well. Like you can see even right now, if you people know about the stake, there is an app in Dubai which is very worldwide famous. Stake. You can buy a property not completely, but a small part of it, like 0.1% of that property. You can buy it and you can hold it. When the price increase, you can have the profit as well. That is basically the tokenization of a property, not a complete 100% that you don't have to visit Dubai, you don't have to meet the broker, you don't have to do anything. But just by sitting at home, you can still buy a property in the Dubai. Okay, about one common system. He suggested that the world may need shared blockchain standards so institutions can work together smoothly. Less corruption, less cost, and more efficiency. Now, what does this mean? Okay, let's talk about this. This is very important. Okay, institution. He says that one common system. Okay, now understand this one thing. There has been a lot of cases because there is not one institutional investors. Okay, there are million, not million, but there are like hundreds and thousands of investor institutional investors. They are not one. Now what happens is like they are different. They invest at the different time. They make the profit come out at the different times, and which makes the loss of the other people. Like for example, the BlackRock CEO invested 2 billion at the price of 100 when the value was at the 100k level. That's the place where he invested 2 billion and made it all time high of 126. And from there what happened is rest of the investors, they start taking their profit and made the market from 126 to complete down to 80 level, 89 level. 81 was the last record. Okay, 81. Now due to which what happened, due to few investors which took out their profit, the rest of the investor face loss. Now it can be of the corruption as well. Corruption as in basically turning the black into white, white into black, or funding anything, like because it doesn't have any regulations. The government regulation, government laws is not on the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so any terrorist funding, bet game this, gaming session, blah blah, whatever it is, due to which what happened, the other investor faces loss. That's why he said like a common system, one common system. He suggested the world may need to share a blockchain standards so institution can together work together smoothly, not like one person invests, other person takes out the profit, another person invests, other person takes out the profit. Not like this. They work together smoothly. Less corruption, less cost, more efficiency. Okay, about Bitcoin, importantly, he said if the big institution put even 2 to 5% into Bitcoin, price could go extreme high. And that's what I was telling you all people. Even if this big institution puts 2 to 5% of their whatever thing, like they are a financial firm, not of millions, not of billions, trillions. They are managing trillions of dollar, and in that thing, even if they invest, if a company is having trillions, even if they invest 1 to 2 to 5% in the market, the market price will go boom, extreme high. This was not a promise, it was a math based scenario. Obviously, what it means for crypto, BlackRock sees crypto as a long term infrastructure. Institutions are preparing, not gambling. Bitcoin is being discussed seriously, not as a joke. Okay. Key takeaway from the BlackRock CEO, he wants it to be not end the legalization, like not end the experimenting, start using cryptocurrency for real worldwide Second thing, he wants all the institutional investors to be at one blockchain. So nothing is hidden. Everything is very fair. Not one investor investing, making the price go up, other making the dump. It is unfair for the other. Okay. And plus one more of this thing, he said like if uh Bitcoin, if any of those, Angad Yadav, welcome Angad Yadav. वेलकम ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट अंगद यादव। बहुत दिनों से दिखे नहीं अंगद, कहाँ थे? कल मतलब जो लास्ट जो मैंने ट्रेड लिया था उस पे हमने एक्सएमआर पे लिया था। वैसे अंगद एक्सएमआर पे हमने ट्रेड लिया था ऑलमोस्ट 90 $99.5 का प्रॉफिट कमाया था हमने। तुम उस टाइम पे थे नहीं यार ट्रेड पे, क्योंकि हमने ट्रेड एक्सएमआर में लिया था, मैंने बिटकॉइन पे भी नहीं लिया था। एक्सएमआर का मैं ट्रेड दिखाता हूँ, ये वाला एक सेकंड। कल मतलब जो लास्ट जो मैंने ट्रेड लिया, ये एक्सएमआर का ट्रेड था मेरा एक्सएमआर पे हमने ट्रेड लिया था ऑलमोस्ट 99.5 डॉलर का प्रॉफिट कमाया था हमने। तुम उस टाइम पे थे नहीं यार ट्रेड पे, क्योंकि हमने ट्रेड एक्सएमआर में लिया था, मैंने बिटकॉइन पे भी नहीं लिया था। 60 एक्सएमआर का मैं ट्रेड दिखाता हूँ, ये मैंने एक्सएमआर का एक ट्रेड लिया था अंगद। यहाँ पे हमने ऑलमोस्ट 3.68% कैप्चर किया था। एक्चुअली मार्केट ट्रैवल कर रही थी डिमांड के, यहाँ पे मैंने यहाँ पे एंट्री ली थी अपने 555 पे और टारगेट दिया था 535.05। ये सबको दिया था मैंने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे भी डाला था ये चीज। एंड उसके बाद में हमने बस 3 पॉइंट, मैंने मतलब ऐसा था कि आज इतनी गिर जाएगी, 2-3 दिनों में वापस 4 आर के ट्रेंड पे, यहाँ पे 4 आर का जो डिमांड बना था वहां पे मार्केट आ जाएगी। मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि उसी दिन आ जाएगी, इसलिए ये इतना बड़ा मूवमेंट आया मार्केट के अंदर। ठीक है, अब इसमें कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ मुझे, मैंने इस ट्रेड से बनाया ऑलमोस्ट 99.5 यूएसडीटी। तो यार आया करो ट्रेड पे, मैं अच्छे मतलब अभी एक दिनों से मतलब ये तुम देख भी रहे होंगे, यहाँ पे टोटल बैलेंस बढ़ते 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 जा रहा है। यहाँ पे मैं फ्यूचर का एक ट्रेड देखा तो एक्सएमआर का, ये देख लो ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री, यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो ये एक्चुअली 100 डॉलर था, ये 100 डॉलर था ये, बट इसको वो 0.5 ट्रांजैक्शन फीस लगती है तो उसको कट के 99.5 डॉलर का प्रॉफिट हो गया था यहाँ पे। आज भी मैं ट्रेडिंग करूंगा, ठीक है, आज भी मैं ट्रेडिंग करूंगा, आज एक्टिव रहना, आज भी प्रॉफिट कमाएंगे। वेलकम यूजर 196587, वेलकम यूजर 509688, यूजर 878611। ओके सर, हाँ ठीक है। तो अभी हमने क्या देखा कि लैरी फिंक ने क्या बोला, हमने वो चीज देख ली। अब देखते बाकी लोगों ने भी क्या बोला। बाइनेंस लीडरशिप, ठीक है, रेगुलेशन इज गुड नाउ, व्हाट दे सेड, रेगुलेशन इज बेटर देन कंफ्यूजन, even imperfect laws are okay, clear rules allows company to operate safely। कि अभी जो ये अबाउट यूएसए, द यूएसए स्टिल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बाइनेंस इज वाचिंग यूएसए रेगुलेशन क्लोजली, क्लियर लॉस इक्वल्स टू पॉसिबल रिटर्न्स, which means big exchange wants rule, no more wild west, regulation brings more user, more trust, more money। ओके, अब इस पे बाइनेंस ने क्या बोला, जैसे यूएसए ने बता दिया था कि क्रिप्टो के नए लॉ आने वाले हैं, क्रिप्टो के नए लॉ वो साइन करने वाला है, उसके साथ में जीनियस एक्ट से ला दिया था जो सिर्फ इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए था और एक्सचेंज के लिए था। ठीक है, उसमें कंज्यूमर की बात नहीं की गई थी, कंज्यूमर के लिए बहुत बहुत वीक प्रोटेक्शन था उस टाइम पे। अभी जो नए नए लॉज नए रेगुलेशन आने वाले उसको बात करते हुए बाइनेंस की जो लीडर ने एक चीज बोली कि हम भी यही चाहते हैं कि क्रिप्टो रेगुलेटेड रहे, क्रिप्टो जितना रेगुलेटेड रहेगा उतने ज्यादा लोग हमारे पास आएंगे। क्योंकि एक चीज सबके सब एक चीज ऑब्जर्व करना, अभी तक ये एक ट्रायल पीरियड चालू है बिटकॉइन का, पूरे क्रिप्टो करेंसी का सिर्फ ट्रायल पीरियड चालू है। क्यों? क्योंकि इस पे कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सा लॉ नहीं लगा हुआ है अभी तक। अगर एक बात देखे तो ये आवारा है, मतलब एक बड़ी सरल भाषा में बताओ तो क्रिप्टो करेंसी अभी भी बहुत आवारा है। इस पे कोई लीगल लॉ नहीं है, इस पे कोई लीगल रूल्स रेगुलेशन कुछ भी नहीं है फिलहाल में देखा जाए, ठीक है, ये अभी भी बहुत आवारा सा है। अभी वो ये लोग चाहते कि जब यूएसए ने बात किया कि कांग्रेस रूम में बहुत डिबेट चालू है सारे रूल्स एंड लॉ को लेके, सारे रूल्स एंड लॉ को लेके बहुत सारे डिबेट चालू है, कांग्रेस हाउस में, अगर वो चीजें पास हो जाती तो क्या आएगा? रेगुलेशन आएगा। रेगुलेशन क्या लेके आएगा? रेगुलेशन लेके आएगा कि बिटकॉइन में बहुत सेफ हो जाएगा, लीगल, मतलब एक होता है लीगल स्टैम्प चढ़ जाएगा। लीगल स्टैम्प की वजह से क्या होगा? एक्सचेंज में बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे, यूजर आएंगे, बड़ा पैसा आएगा, बड़ा प्रॉफिट भी होगा, सब कुछ अच्छे से होगा। ठीक है, ये बस बेसिकली फाइनेंस की लीडरशिप ने बोला है। अब रिपेल के सीईओ ने क्या बोला है? क्लैरिटी और केओस। ऑब्वियसली उसका भी बोलना वही है कि हमें क्लैरिटी चाहिए, केओस नहीं चाहिए। केओस क्यों है? क्योंकि कोई रूल्स नहीं है, कोई लॉ नहीं है, कोई रेगुलेशन नहीं है। What he said, crypto companies suffered because rules were unclear. हाँ, रूल्स अनक्लियर थे। बहुत से लोग कभी भी आके अपना बहुत सारा पैसा डंप करके जाते थे और कोई एकदम बहुत बड़ा इन्वेस्ट करके चला देते। अब उसकी वजह से एक्सचेंज ग्रुप को बहुत नुकसान हुआ। अभी क्लियर लॉ आर मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ। क्रिप्टो एंड बैंक शुड कंप्लीटली अंडर सिमिलर रूल्स। नहीं, ये चीज गलत है। क्रिप्टो और अगर बैंक सिमिलर रूल्स के अंडर नहीं काम कर, क्रिप्टो का मेन आइडिया ही वो था कि उसे बैंक से अलग काम करना है, बैंक को इरेडिकेट करना है, ये उसका मेन काम था। अगर हम वापस से वही चीज करने लग जाएंगे तो फिर बैंक में और ब्लॉकचेन में मतलब ये हो जाएगा कि बैंक, बेसिकली ब्लॉकचेन तुम्हारा नया बैंक बन जाएगा कि पूरा ऑनलाइन, कुछ नहीं है तुम्हारा फिजिकल नहीं है, सारा सारा चीज ऑनलाइन। और ये चीज नहीं हो, ठीक, ये चीज तो नहीं होगी ऑब्वियसली। About stable coins and tokenization, these are already huge market, not a future idea, they are already in use. Stable coin और tokenization ये ऑलरेडी लीगल हो चुके हैं। बहुत कम लोग को पता है क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग इस चीज पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं। बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज, बड़े बड़े कंट्रीज ऑलरेडी अपने बहुत सी चीजें टोकनाइज करने में लगे हुए हैं। चाहे वो रियल एस्टेट हो, चाहे वो उनकी एसेट हो, चाहे वो खुद हो, या फिर चाहे उनका पैसा हो, ये सारी चीजें को वो टोकनाइज करने में लगे हुए हैं। आज इस दुनिया में कोई भी चीज टोकनाइज हो सकती है। अगर हम एक चीज देख रहे हैं कि एक एक मतलब एनएफटी, एनएफटी किसी को बोलते हैं कि एक बस एक छोटी सी ड्राइंग है जो उसने अपने घर में बनाई और उसको उसने टोकनाइज कर दिया और वो बिक रही है। तुम सोच रहे हो ये हो रहा है आगे देश में कि टोकनाइजेशन इस दुनिया को हिलाएगा। क्योंकि आप किसी भी चीज को, अभी फिलहाल के लिए तीन चीजें मेन है, करेंसी, रियल एस्टेट और एसेट। अभी फिलहाल में ये तीन चीजें, पर मैं सही से बता रहा हूँ, एक कोई भी चीज को डिजिटल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए कुछ ज्यादा काम नहीं लगता है। सिंपल सा ब्लॉकचेन सिस्टम लगता है जहां पे वो स्टोर होता है बस, और कोडिंग लगती है भर भर के। तो इन चीजों में क्या होगा? सीधा सीधा कि टोकनाइजेशन जितना जितना आप एक्सेप्ट करते हो ये करेंसीज को, डिजिटल करेंसीज को और ये टोकनाइजेशन को, उतना प्रॉफिटेबल रहोगे। क्योंकि ये रिपल सीईओ ने सीधा सीधा क्लियरली एक चीज बोली है कि टोकनाइजेशन को गेम मत समझो, ये एक्चुअल में हो रहा है एंड ये एक्चुअली बहुत प्रॉफिटेबल भी है। ओके, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद what it means, crypto is moving from speculation to utility, payment and infrastructure matter more than hype। स्पेकुलेशन मतलब वही था, एक ट्रायल पीरियड, सबके सब लोग बस देख रहे थे यार कुछ तो है करेंसी, पता नहीं क्या है पर कुछ तो है। पहले यही चालू था। अब क्या हो रहा है? यूटिलिटी में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी को एक्चुअली यूज किया जा रहा है, ब्लॉकचेन सिस्टम को यूज किया जा रहा है, पेमेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और टोकनाइजेशन, इन सब चीजों में बैकअप करने के लिए क्रिप्टो करेंसी का भर भर के यूज किया जा रहा है। उसके बाद है इंडस्ट्रियल लीडर्स, वेयर क्रिप्टो इज एक्चुअली गोइंग, उन्होंने ये चीज बात किया है। What they focused on, they is clearly said crypto future is not just trading. Future is tokenization, real world asset on blockchain, payment, fast cheap global transfer, AI plus crypto, automated finance using blockchain। ठीक है, अब उसने ये चार चार चीजें बोल दी, एक्चुअली तीन है। टोकनाइजेशन का मतलब होता है रियल वर्ल्ड एसेट को ब्लॉकचेन पे डालना। कोई भी चीज को, कल को मैं अपना ही मतलब ये लैपटॉप में ब्लॉकचेन पे मैं टोकनाइज कर देता हूँ, ये भी पॉसिबल। रियल वर्ल्ड एसेट को टोकनाइज करके ब्लॉकचेन में डालना, ये सबसे बड़ी चीज है। क्रिप्टो सिर्फ ट्रेडिंग के लिए नहीं है। जो भी लोग ट्रेडिंग करके पैसा कमा रहे, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग। आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग कि क्रिप्टो से पैसा नहीं आएगा, बट एक मेन जो बता रहा हूँ कि सिर्फ ट्रेडिंग नहीं है क्रिप्टो। जैसे गोल्ड सिर्फ ट्रेडिंग नहीं है, गोल्ड के बाकी के भी यूजेस है। कमोडिटीज, ऑयल, ऑयल सिर्फ ट्रेडिंग नहीं है, ऑयल के बाकी बहुत सारे यूज केसेस है। सेम चीज, सेम चीज क्रिप्टो सिर्फ ट्रेडिंग के लिए नहीं है। क्रिप्टो के बाकी बहुत सारे यूजेस, जो उसमें मेन सबसे बड़ा यूज है टोकनाइजेशन का। कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को आप डिजिटल फॉर्म में बना के ब्लॉकचेन में सिक्योर कर सकते हो। सिक्योर, सेफ एंड सिक्योर। प्लस उसको पेमेंट मेथड के लिए भी यूज किया जा सकता है। सबसे चीप, सबसे फास्ट और ग्लोबल ट्रांसफर। आप यहां बैठ के, आपको करेंसी के एक्सचेंज में नहीं जाना है कि पहले मैं करेंसी एक्सचेंज में जाऊंगा, वहां लाइन में बैठूंगा, वो मुझे 4 सवाल पूछेगा, मैं उसको 6 जवाब दूंगा। ये सब चीजें नहीं, सीधा सीधा ट्रांसफर ब्लॉकचेन के थ्रू। जैसे आप फोन यूज करते हो, बेसिक फोन यूज किया, उसी ब्लॉकचेन में टक 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 टाइप, वॉलेट एड्रेस पे किया, वॉलेट एड्रेस पे किया और पैसे भेज दिए। ना ही मुझे करेंसी एक्सचेंज के पास जाना है, ना ही मुझे किसी बैंक के पास जाना है, ना ही मुझे लंबी लाइनों में खड़ा रहना है, और ना ही मुझे किसी से को 4-5 सवाल पूछने कि ये कैसे होगा, ये क्यों होगा, ये क्या होगा। नहीं, इसका एक्सचेंज रेट कितना लेंगे, इसके एक्सचेंज क्या लेंगे, इतने सवाल भी नहीं पूछने। फास्ट, सेकंड्स के अंदर आपका बैंक ट्रांसफर हो जाता है, सॉरी आपका अमाउंट ट्रांसफर हो जाता है। ग्लोबल ट्रांसफर, यहाँ बैठ के मैं अपने दोस्त यूएस को भी भेज सकता हूँ, यहाँ बैठ के मैं अपने यूके बैठे दोस्त को भेज सकता हूँ, यहाँ बैठे मैं कनाडा के बैठ, मतलब जहाँ पे भी कोई भी दोस्त है, हर जगह पे मैं एक ग्लोबल ट्रांसफर कर सकता हूँ पेमेंट मेथड के लिए। तो क्रिप्टो करेंसी को मैंने तो पहले एक चीज बोल दिया था आप लोगों की, क्रिप्टो करेंसी को आप डिजिटल गोल्ड मत समझो। भले ही उसको एक ऐसा एक स्टैम्प मिल चुका है कि यार इट इज अ डिजिटल गोल्ड, बट डू नॉट कंसिडर एज अ डिजिटल गोल्ड। व्हाई? बिकॉज क्रिप्टो करेंसी आर सोल्ड सोलली बेस्ड फॉर जस्ट वन थिंग, दैट इज करेंसी। करेंसी का इस्तेमाल क्यों किया जाता है? ट्रांसफर करने के लिए, ट्रांजैक्शन करने के लिए। पेमेंट मेथड है ये, जो बैंक्स को नीचे, मतलब बैंक्स को काट देता है। हम कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन यूज करने के लिए भी बैंक यूज करते हैं, कोई भी, वो बैंक के थ्रू ही जाता है। क्रिप्टो करेंसी वो नहीं करता। ये बीच का जो बिन फुकट का जो मीडियम है, उसे वो कैंसिल कर देता है। इसलिए बोला गया है कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी फास्ट, चीप और ग्लोबल ट्रांसफर करता है। सारी बैंक आपको ग्लोबल ट्रांसफर की परमिशन नहीं देती। ये चीज आप इंडिया से भी देख लें, ठीक है। एआई प्लस क्रिप्टो ऑटोमेटेड फाइनेंस यूजिंग ब्लॉकचेन। अब ऑब्वियसली एआई हर जगह है। एआई प्लस क्रिप्टो ऑटोमेटेड फाइनेंस ब्लॉकचेन मतलब कि आपको एआई चुटकियों में, मतलब ब्लॉकचेन थोड़ा सा मैन्युअली ऑपरेट करो तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा। एक ऐसे लोगों को मतलब सीखना पड़ेगा। एआई ऑटोमेटेड की तुरंत 2 चुटकियों में आपको पूछेगा। आप जैसे चैट जीपीटी को पूछते हो कि ये कैसे करो, वो बताएगा, वो पूरा आपको करके दे देगा बेसिकली। What it means, crypto project with a real use cases will survive. Meme coin only hype will struggle. Infrastructure coins gain importance. Okay. मेरे को इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉइन्स कौन से हैं मुझे वो देखना। आई वांट चेक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉइन्स। मेरे को इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉइन्स कौन से हैं मुझे वो देखना। आई वांट चेक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉइन्स। ओके, लेयर 1 बेस्ड इन इथेरियम सोलाना, एवीएक्स, बीएनबी, एडीए। लेयर 2 स्केलिंग इथेरियम विच इज एआरबी, ओपी। ये सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के कॉइन है। ओके, डाटा स्टोरेज और ये सब चीजों के, ये सारे कॉइन नोट कर लेना प्लीज, क्योंकि ये सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के कॉइन है। उन्होंने यही चीज रिपेल वालों ने बोली है कि क्रिप्टो की जो प्रोजेक्ट है, क्रिप्टो प्रोजेक्ट मतलब वही कि टोकनाइजेशन, कोई भी चीज़ों को, रियल वर्ल्ड एसेट को टोकनाइज करना, इन सब पेमेंट मेथड्स ये अच्छे करना, फास्ट करना, चीप करना, एंड प्लस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉइन। ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉइन है जो बेसिकली आपके प्रोसेस करते हैं ट्रांजैक्शंस, उसको ब्लॉकचेन में रन कराते हैं, एक मैसेज को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचाती है, ये सारे कॉइन उसके मदद से करते हैं, ठीक है। तो इसमें ये जितने भी है लेयर वन, लेयर टू, इंट्रो, प्रोबेबिलिटी, डाटा एंड स्टोरेज, कंप्यूटर इंफ्रा सर्विसेज, ये सारे कॉइन एक बार ध्यान से देख लेना, क्योंकि इन्होंने देखा है व्हाई स्मार्ट मनी वॉचेस देम, एवरी बुल इज बिल्ट ऑन इंफ्रा ओनली। सारे के सारे बुल मार्केट यहीं से आते हैं, ठीक है। तो इनको बड़ी इससे गौर से देखते रहना, इनका प्राइस ऊपर जाता है नीचे जाता है क्या होता है, इनको एक बार नोटिस करते रहना, ठीक है। और मीम कॉइन सिर्फ हाइप है, वो स्ट्रगल करेंगे आने वाले टाइम पे। मैंने एक चीज बोली थी कि जितने भी बड़े बड़े कॉइन है, सारे कॉइन नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, बड़े बड़े यानी इथेरियम, ये जो मेन मेन चीजें सॉल्व करते हैं, कुछ सिस्टम्स के, ब्लॉकचेन्स के, ये सब चीजें जो सॉल्व करते हैं, ये कॉइन आगे जाके बहुत बड़ा पैसा कमाएंगे। जो कॉइन यूजफुल नहीं है, मैं एक चीज हमेशा आपको बोलता था कि जब मैंने आपको एक इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रेटेजी बताई थी कि छोटे छोटे कॉइन जो अभी डॉलर के भी नीचे है, 0.00 में ट्रेड कर रहा है, उनमें इन्वेस्ट करके आप पैसा कैसे कमा सकते हो, उसमें मैंने एक चीज बोली थी, लास्ट फिल्टर ये था कि वो कॉइन का यूज केस क्या है, क्या वो कॉइन सही में अच्छी, मतलब क्या वो कॉइन सही में एक अच्छा यूज केसेस है फ्यूचर के लिए। अगर अच्छा यूज केस है फ्यूचर के लिए तो वो कॉइन में इन्वेस्ट करो, ये चीज बोली थी। अब यहाँ पे भी मीटिंग में वही बात की कि कोई भी क्रिप्टो करेंसी की जो प्रोजेक्ट है, अगर वो रियल यूज केसेस से बहुत प्रॉफिट कमाता है, रियल यूज केस से एक अच्छा कुछ बेनिफिट होता है, तो उसमें बहुत प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, वो कॉइन बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा। ओके, अब जेपी मॉर्गन ने क्या बोला, जेपी मॉर्गन एक्चुअली क्वाइट बट इम्पोर्टेंट। ओके, what he did not do, he did not give a big crypto speech at Davos, उसने क्रिप्टो के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला। Why it still matters, JP Morgan already uses crypto blockchain internally, even crypto critics are using the technology quietly। मतलब जितनी भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो क्रिप्टो के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे, चलो ठीक है, ऐसे कोई लोग हैं जो क्रिप्टो की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसे कोई लोग हैं जो क्रिप्टो को नहीं देखते, ठीक है, वो भी खुद साइड बाय साइड अपना क्रिप्टो का बिजनेस अच्छे से चला रहे हैं बेसिकली। यूरोप कंसर्न, crypto regulator are worried about US dollar stable coins becoming too powerful, losing control over their own currency, different rules in different countries. This shows global regulation fight is coming. US and Europe may move differently. ओके, अब वही एक बात हो गई कि एक जो यूएस है, उसने दिमाग में, उसने एक बहुत स्मार्ट इंसान है यार, वो मेरे को पसंद आया वो इंसान। अब जहां पे एक चीज कभी भी नोटिस करना, अगर एक कोई ऐसी मार्केट है, ऐसा कोई बिजनेस है, या ऐसा कोई टॉपिक है जिसपे आज से पहले कभी किसी ने कोई बात नहीं की, वहां पे हमेशा पहला यूएसए खड़ा रहा है। वो, उससे क्या होता है कि एक तो फेल हुआ तो हुआ, उससे उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि उसका ऑलरेडी वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है इकोनॉमिक में, मिलिट्री में, हर एक चीज। बट अगर पास हो गया तो वो एक और एक्स्ट्रा चीज ऐड हो जाएंगे जिसमें वो वापस सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है। अब उसने एक चीज किया, क्रिप्टो करेंसी सब जगह में वर्ल्ड वाइड सिर्फ यूएसडीटी से ही मिलती है। उसने जैसे ही क्रिप्टो करेंसी ये वो चीजें आई, उससे पता चला कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी क्या है, ब्लॉक सिस्टम क्या है, वेब3 क्या है, उसके बेनिफिट्स, उसके यूज केसेस, फ्यूचर में आके क्या होगा, उसने सबसे पहले बोल के क्या किया है, सेंट्रल बैंक से अपनी खुद की करेंसी बनाई है, स्टेबल कॉइन, जिसकी वैल्यू सेम है। ऐसा नहीं कि अपनी वैल्यू की ग्रोथ कर रहा है, अभी नहीं कर रहा है, फ्यूचर में जाके बहुत बड़ी ग्रोथ होगी, अभी नहीं है, ठीक है। उसने अपना डॉलर को डिजिटल फॉर्म में बना दिया, यूएसडीटी और यूएसडीसी में चेंजेस में, ठीक है। अब इससे क्या हुआ, पूरी दुनिया में, पूरी दुनिया में, चाहे मैं इंडिया में बैठा हूँ, मतलब अभी तो फिलहाल मैं दुबई में हूँ, बट चाहे एक इंडिया का बंदा हो, चाहे नाइजीरिया का हो, चाहे घाना में बैठा हो, चाहे वो नीचे वो चाइना, जापान, या फिर कहीं कहीं पे भी बैठा हो, कोई भी इंसान को अगर आज इस टाइम पे क्रिप्टो करेंसी खरीदनी है या बेचनी है, उसके पास यूएसडीटी होना जरूरी है, और ये वर्ल्ड वाइड है, ये चीज वर्ल्ड वाइड है। इस पूरे दुनिया में आप सिर्फ क्रिप्टो करेंसी यूएसडीटी के तौर पे ही खरीद सकते हो, सिर्फ और सिर्फ। यूएसडीटी क्या है, बेसिकली डॉलर का जो करेंसी है, उसका डिजिटल फॉर्मेशन है। तो वापस से उसने वही, यूरोप ने वही बोल दिया कि यूएसए अपना जो स्टेबल कॉइन है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कर चुका है ऑलरेडी, क्योंकि पूरे क्रिप्टो करेंसी को सिर्फ आप यूएसडीटी से ही खरीद और बेच सकते हो। इसने ऑलरेडी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया है, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद में हर जगह डिफरेंट रूल्स इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज। यही एक चीज बात थी कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी यूएसए ने जो एक रूल बनाया, जीनेस एक्ट बनाया अपने स्टेबल कॉइन से रिलेटेड, अब वो जीनेस एक्ट हर जगह अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है। सब अपने 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 गवर्नमेंट अपना अपना लॉ लॉ ये चीज इस्तेमाल कर रही है, ठीक है। अभी भी फिलहाल इंडिया के मतलब अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो इंडिया बहुत पीछे है क्रिप्टो करेंसी में। उसने तो अभी तक बात भी करना चालू नहीं किया, रादर देन सिर्फ टैक्स कि हाँ बस तुम करो ट्रेडिंग, हम बस टैक्स भर देना हमारा। ये छोड़ के क्रिप्टो करेंसी से रिलेटेड कोई बात नहीं किया अभी तक इंडिया में। इंडिया तो बहुत पीछे है उसके हिसाब से। बट यूएसए क्या कर रहा है, लूजिंग कंट्रोल ओवर देयर ओन करेंसी, यस। बट उन्हें ये चीज नहीं दिख रही कि अगर भले ही वो लूज कर रहे हैं अपनी खुद की करेंसी लूज कर रहे हैं, कि डॉलर थोड़ा नीचे 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 गिर रहा है कंपेयर टू क्रिप्टो करेंसी, बट जो यूएसडीटी है वो भी तो उन्हीं की करेंसी है। वो कौन सी पराये देश की है, यूएसडीटी है, यूएस डॉलर है वो। ग्लोबल रेगुलेशन फाइट इज कमिंग, बेसिकली मतलब वही कि यार फिर तुम्हारा एक्सचेंज रेट अभी हम डिसाइड करेंगे। पहले ही डॉलर सबसे ज्यादा वर्ल्ड वाइड था, उसमें मतलब जो उसकी पावर थी उसके हिसाब से वो एक्सचेंज रेट सब चीजें हम देखते थे कि ये मेरे से इतना छोटा है, ये मेरे से इतना, इसका प्राइस ये करेंगे, उसका प्राइस वो रखेंगे। ये चीजें ऑलरेडी चालू थी। अब उसमें जब ये ग्लोबल रेगुलेशन आ जाएगा कि जब यूएसडीटी को स्टेबल कॉइन को वर्ल्ड वाइड एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा, तो ऑब्वियसली सब लोग अपना 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 अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर अपनी करेंसी बनाते हैं, आईएनआरडीटी बन गया अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल बन गया, तो उसमें फिर वही एक्सचेंज रेट की यार ये तुम्हारा ये करेगा ये तुम्हारा, तो उसमें ग्लोबल रेगुलेशन की फाइट आ सकती है, पॉसिबिलिटी है, ठीक है। यूएस एंड यूरोप में मूव डिफरेंटली ऑब्वियसली। Final summary, here is a big picture very clearly. Crypto is now a part of a global economic plan. जैसा मैंने बोला कि क्रिप्टो अभी छोटा नहीं है, क्रिप्टो का ट्रायल पीरियड खत्म हो चुका है। क्रिप्टो करेंसी अभी एक ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग बन चुकी है। ऐसा बोलते थे, अभी तो मुझे खुद पता चला कि डावोस मीटिंग में अभी तक ऐसा चल रहा था कि ये एक ट्रायल पीरियड चालू था क्रिप्टो करेंसी का, टू चेक इफ इट्स एक्चुअली यूजफुल और नॉट। सिर्फ देखने के लिए कि क्रिप्टो करेंसी सही में यूज की जा सकती है, क्रिप्टो करेंसी सही में कुछ बेनिफिट दे सकती है, इसका ये ट्रायल पीरियड चालू। एक ट्रायल पीरियड में एक करेंसी का जो प्राइस है वो कहां जाके बैठा हुआ है आज आप भी देख सकते हैं। सिर्फ और सिर्फ ट्रायल पीरियड के तौर पे बिटकॉइन मार्केट अगर मैं चेक करूं तो बिटकॉइन आज 89 पे ट्रेड कर रहा है, ये ट्रायल पीरियड चालू है। एंड इनकी बात यही है कि डावोस मीटिंग में यही डिस्कस हुआ कि अभी हमें बिटकॉइन को एक्सपेरिमेंट के तौर पे यूज करना छोड़ देना चाहिए और उसे पूरा इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, उसे पूरा सर्विसेज यूटिलिटी हर यूज केसेस में, पेमेंट्स में, टोकनाइजेशन में यूज करना चाहिए 100% के स्ट्रेंथ पे। अब जब तुम सोचो कि एक ट्रायल पीरियड का स्ट्रेंथ मार्केट को 89 तक लेके आ सकता है, तो जब वो पूरा स्ट्रेंथ लगा देंगे तो ये लीगल थप्पा जब उस पे लग जाएगा क्रिप्टो करेंसी पे, तो वो मार्केट कहां जाके रुकेगी, राइट। ओके, उसके बाद में क्लियर रूल्स बोल दिया है कि अभी आने के हैं, बट उसके ऊपर बात हो चुकी है कि क्लियर रूल्स बनने वाले हैं। क्लैरिटी रूल्स, जीनियस एक्ट, ये दो चीजें आएंगी मार्केट में जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी को एक सिंपल पाथ दिखाएगा, ठीक है। उसके बाद लॉन्ग टर्म स्टेबिलिटी, जैसा हम एक देखते हैं कि मार्केट गिर जाती है, ये हो जाता है, तो वो क्यों हो रहा है, क्योंकि इन्वेस्टर इंस्टीट्यूशनल जो इन्वेस्टर्स है वो एक समय पे इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे, वो कभी कुछ कभी कुछ कभी कुछ कभी कुछ, राइट। स्टेबल कॉइन्स एंड टोकनाइजेशन आर द ब्रिज, सीधी सीधी बात, ठीक है। अगर स्टेबल कॉइन और टोकनाइजेशन पे भरोसा रखो, स्टेबल कॉइन अपने जो 1 by 1 चल रहे हैं, मतलब अगर मेरी आईएनआर की वैल्यू एक है तो उसकी आईएनआर की डिजिटल करेंसी की वैल्यू भी एक होनी चाहिए, जैसे यूएस डॉलर की वैल्यू एक और यूएसडीटी की वैल्यू भी एक। ओके, बिटकॉइन इज बीन डिस्कस एज एन इंस्टीट्यूशनल एसेट, इंस्टीट्यूशनल का एसेट जैसे। और एक चीज जैसे इसने बोला था, ब्लैक रॉक सीईओ ने बोला था, अभी इंस्टीट्यूशनल एसेट बन चुका है, ये बन चुका है, ये सारे बड़े 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 इन्वेस्टर्स सब पैसा लगा रहे हैं बिटकॉइन में। पर उसने एक चीज बहुत क्लियरली मेंशन की है कि अगर हम फाइनेंशियल बड़े बड़े फर्म जो ट्रिलियंस बिलियंस डॉलर्स को मैनेज करते हैं, अगर वो अपना 2 से 5% भी लगा दे मार्केट में, तो ये ऐसे करके उड़ती है मार्केट। ठीक है, जो बड़े बड़े कहने का स्ट्रेट 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 अप, वो इंस्टीट्यूशन पे बंदी करते हैं। ठीक है, रेगुलेशंस आर नो लॉन्गर अ थ्रेट, इट्स अ डोरवे। रेगुलेशंस एक डोरवे है बेसिकली। वन लाइन टेक अवे, एट अ डाइवोर्स मीटिंग क्रिप्टो वाज नॉट ट्रीटेड एज अ ट्रेंड, इट वाज ट्रीटेड एज एन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। मतलब कि अब एक बड़ा चेंज आएगा जल्द से जल्द। हो सकते है ये चेंजेस बहुत स्लो होंगे, क्योंकि एक्सेप्टेंस कभी ऐसा नहीं होता। भले ही तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड से ब्रेकअप होता है, तुम्हें मूव ऑन करने के लिए हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ता, 3 महीना, 4 महीना, 1 साल लग ही जाता। सेम चीज अगर तुम एक नोटिस करोगे कि पूरी दुनिया एक ट्रेडिशनल फाइनेंस को यूज कर रही है इस पॉइंट पे। पूरी दुनिया, whole world is using a traditional finance. For moving from traditional finance to accepting a new finance system will take time, but in that process you can make a lot and lot and lot and lot of money via cryptocurrencies, because now it is very, as per the talk, it is very legal now that they are gonna get like a complete legal stamp worldwide, which will excel. Like till now point it was not like legal stamp, just big investors were investing, and that with the most least percentage. They are not even investing like a complete 100% of this. Okay, now they're going to start with the legalization, with the stamp, because they wanted to have some protection. And now USA is providing that protection by providing a Genius Act, by providing a Clarity Act, by providing so on and so on and so on, new laws, new regulation, which USA is trying to make, which has been discussed in the Congress. Maybe this year we may see new regulations of the crypto, and whenever those regulation comes, be aware of the market, be on that market, because that time that market is going to pump, not by 1%, not by 2, not by 10, maybe more than 15 to 20 to 25%. Okay, cool. So that was completely all thing which were discussed in the Davos meeting in the World Economic Forum. Okay, cool. Now let's I want to check for some. Completely all thing which were discussed in the Davos meeting in the World Economic Forum. Okay. Market overview. Bitcoin is at 89 right now. Ethereum is at 2,900. Everything is little falling down. Let it fall down. Let it fall down. Everything are preparing for a big jump. You all people know, whenever how a lion, how a tiger hunts, they take 4 step backs to make a bigger jump, and that's exactly what is happening right now. Okay, all this thing what we can see is just a bigger jump. A bigger jump indication for us. BNB is also down by 0.5, 0.05%. Solana is down by 2%. Have an eye on Solana. Why I'm saying this? Because Solana is actually a layer one coin. It's working with Ethereum, Solana, AVX, BNB, ADA. These are the layer one base coins. Okay. Always remember, the infrastructure coins are gonna be the most strongest coins. Infrastructure coins. Welcome user 8085558. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. Welcome. If you are a new user, do tell me, because I have a free Dogecoin for you. अगर आप एक नए यूजर हो तो प्लीज जरूर बताइए, क्योंकि मेरे पास एक डोज कॉइन है आपके लिए कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपको एक डोज कॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिले, तो प्लीज, एक डोज कॉइन अगर आप चाहते हो आप आना, तो प्लीज मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आके आप एक पहला अगर आप डिपॉजिट करते हो, यहाँ पे जब आप पहला डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको मिलेगा एक डोज कॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। सिर्फ ये डिपॉजिट बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए, उसके बाद आपको जो भी करेंसी मिलता है, फियाट डिपॉजिट करना है फियाट डिपॉजिट, यहाँ पे आप जब ऐसे लिख देते हो, तो अगर मैं 300 रुपए करता हूँ तो 300 रुपए में मुझे कितना मिलता है? 300 रुपए मुझे मिलता है $3। तो अगर आज मैं $300 यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट करता हूँ, तो उससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा? उससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा? $3.26 के मैं डिपॉजिट करता हूँ, तो मुझे एक डोज कॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलता है। ठीक है, प्लस ये भी एक चीज है, अगर आप 20 यूएसडी डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको 200 यूएसडी कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलता है। फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलता है। Okay, let's see what we can see and do in the market. Bearish market, sorry, Bitcoin is having a bearish flag. Let's see what we can. Yet to give a breakout from here. It is yet to give a breakout. Do you think Bitcoin can come from right now moment, or it will take some time? What do you think? Welcome user 201044. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for coming down to this platform. Bitcoin is having a bearish flag. Yet to give a breakout from here. It is yet to give a breakout. Do you think Bitcoin can come from right now moment, or it will take some time? What do you think? Welcome user 201044. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for coming down to this platform. $87 market reached 80. I want a breakout at BTC soon. Very soon I need a breakout at a BTC, because this BTC breakout will be very huge breakout, and it's a bearish flag which we have spotted in the daytime frame. But I want a breakout. Yeah, even though right now, if you can see this one thing in a smaller scale, I'm talking about in a smaller scale, what are we seeing is preparation for the breakout. This is again yeah, even though right now, if you can see this one thing in a smaller scale, I'm talking about in a smaller scale, what are we seeing is preparation for the breakout. This is again this is what a bearish pennant pattern. Soon we will get a breakout from the BTC. In the day time frame, we can observe the bearish flag. In a 4 hour, we can observe a bearish pennant pattern in the market. Okay, this bearish pattern in the market will give us a very good breakout. If you consider this thing like this, observe for 1 minute. This is the pole of the market, which is of 5.20%. So that much market we can easily capture. That is a very easy market capture thing. This is this bearish pattern in the market will give us a very good breakout. If you consider this thing like this, observe for 1 minute. This is the pole of the market, which is of 5.20%. So that much market we can easily capture. That is a very a bullish, a bearish pennant pattern, which we can observe in 4 hours, not in 1 day. 1 day is simply the market is not even making that pattern. Okay, 1 day still having that one scenario of just 3 candles. But if you observe in the 4 hour, In the 4 hour, we can clearly see a bearish pennant market pattern, which we can observe in 4 hours, not in one day. One day is simply the market is not even making that pattern. Okay, one day still having that one scenario of just three candles. But if you observe in the 4 hour, we can clearly see a bearish pennant market. Bearish pennant pattern soon because it's consolidating and it is at the end. It is not that much space for it to move anymore. So I feel soon we are gonna get a breakout. Maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, or maybe on the Monday we can see, because right now it will consolidate till Sunday. I think it is gonna consolidate. Monday we can receive a breakout because Saturdays, Sundays are the US and New York market is closed at that time. So I feel it will consolidate for a little small bit of a time, like maybe here, something till the Monday, and Monday we may expect a good breakout from over here. Okay, Monday is a breakout day for me. I'm considering Monday as a breakout day. But even if we get a breakout before that, that is totally fine. Okay, we will take a short trade, a very good short trade we will achieve from the market with this. Something till the Monday, and Monday we may expect a good breakout from over here. Okay, Monday is a breakout day for me. I'm considering Monday as a breakout day. But even if we get a breakout before that, that is totally fine. Okay, we will take a short trade, a very good short trade we will achieve from the market with this. Not in the BTC. Let's just check Ethereum. Ethereum is also not giving us a very good, to be very fair, like very good investment. Ethereum is also not going a good investment. Like it has a very strong support over here. That's where it is again and again taking a support. From there, if it falls, we can go for the downward. But right now, I don't think so. The movement is captured. We'll skip it. We'll try to focus on those. Let's see where the gold is heading. Maybe we can see gold. This was the gold trade was way before. Okay, it was not right now trade. It was like almost last week trade where the target I kept it was 1477 because that was the height of the bullish pennant. Now this same bullish pennant is visible as a bearish pennant in the BTC 4-hour time frame. Okay, same 4-hour time frame we are observing right now. What to accept in the BTC at right now? Now this same bullish pennant is visible as a bearish pennant in the BTC 4-hour time. Market is making higher high, higher low. We can go for a buy side. We can go for the market to hit this specific movement, which is 96, like having not that much of percentage, but just from here to here, 0.49% of market we can capture because there is no previous high to for me to understand the supply, like this is a place where the supply, this is a place where that is. There is not there is no place for that for me to tell you or people like this is place where the market will come, market will stop at this place. No, there is no such place in the market right now. Okay, whatever new highs is market making, it is creating its own high, own everything. Okay, but we can see in the future prediction thing, fear. Okay, fear and greed index is at 34, which is fear. So right now we can clearly see the Bitcoin prices, the cryptocurrency prices are gonna go more down, 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 down because of the fear indication over here. Okay, we are gonna face a fear. And for the spot market, it has came down 0.45% in 24 hours. It has came down. Okay, derivative markets, futures is 3.54, perpetual is 592.95 billion. Even though they are rising, but still 8% down, 2.39% down. Okay, and Bitcoin treasury, anybody bought anything recently? Strategy has bought it. Strategy was like something, no, 6 lakh it was, right? 6 lakh something. Strategy has bought it recently. Strategy bought it because the holding became 7 lakh. 7 lakh the holding became. This is strategy holding 7 lakh. It was 6 lakh 87,000 something. They have added more to it is coin because it became 7 lakh over here. Okay. Estimate value is 63.28 billion. The price is falling down, but still he's buying it not for right now, he's buying it for the future. Other than this, did Metaplan bought anything? We cannot see Metaplan. Fear and greed index, it is right now at the fear, which is 34. So very less chances for BTC to grow at right now point. That's the one reason why I'm telling you that I am able to see what I am able to see in a Bitcoin a bearish pennant pattern. This is a bearish pennant pattern in the Bitcoin. Soon the market will collapse from somewhere on the range from 88. 88 market will start collapse, and that collapse can lead up to first target is 85, second target, second main target will be here 78. Okay, that's the first target because that's the place where little fair value gap is, I guess, because I plotted it because of the fair value gap, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, no, 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 that's a demand. Okay, that's the first demand, and this is the second demand. That's what I feel, and that's where the price is trying to low. First, it may affect our, it may come down from that price to 85, or it may come down straightly to 78. That's a two situation which may can happen. Even the fear index is telling us that it is 34% off. 34% people, 34% greed, as in like all the people majority are thinking of to do a major sell in the market. Okay, last month fear was 29. Okay, extreme fear was in the extreme fear was in November 2025 10 when the whole some whale dumped 30,000 Bitcoin for sell. Altcoin season, this is the place from where I founded XMRC, okay, to trade. Right now all the people in the buy side are like the good performance, basically doesn't matter what side. Sky, ICP, because Sky, ICP, BCH are those coin which is infrastructure coins. Okay, we heard about it, you can clearly see this is IPC and Sky. IPC, okay, Sky is not there. IPC, okay, it's just IPC. IPC, the infrastructure coin which will grow. IPC, BCH, XAUT. This is a new coin, I guess, XAUT, because this is basically gold coin. PAXG is also gold coin, gold affiliated coin. WLFI, ZRO, JST, ZEC, XMR. XMR is still in the trend. XMR is still in the trend. I just want to see like where is XMR heading? Is there any demands in which we can find so that we can go for more fun? Just want to see XMR. Where is XMR trying to go? From the 4-hour demand zone, I don't think even from the, I will delete the previous things. Okay. I just want to see like where is XMR heading? Is there any demands in which we can find so that we can go for more fun? Just want to see XMR. I will delete the previous things. Okay. As per what we can see, again, XMR is trying to show us a breakup. Again, it's a 4 hour. I will cross down this. I'll just keep it this same movement, same exact movement, like same exact structure, like what we can see in the BTC. A bearish pennant which we can observe in the XMRC as well. XMR as well. Okay. Let's just have these things. It's a 4 hour. I will cross down this. I'll just keep it this same movement, same exact movement, like same exact structure, like what we can see in the BTC. Same exact thing what we can see. This is a bearish pennant market chart. Okay, this is a bearish pennant chart pattern. This bearish pennant chart pattern will tell us that again there is gonna be a downside entry for basically short entry for XMR. There might be, and as per the market, let's just see what kind of short we can see expect. It is 22.57%. Okay, let's just, even if we consider half of 22.5%, let's see from here if the market falls 10, 10th is here only. Okay, this will be our new target. We can go for this new target very soon in the market. The new target for XMRC will be at the price of 4 5, wait a second, 456.9. Okay, that will be the new target for the downside for the XMR. This will be the new target. Right now it is on the 4-hour demand zone, but soon it will give a breakout because it is making a bearish pennant chart pattern. This chart pattern will give us a breakout very soon. Maybe possibly on Monday we will have a breakout, and that breakout will continue over here. But it is trying to go, if I just see, like it says 22%. This is 22% over here. But soon it will give a breakout because it is making a bearish pennant chart pattern. This chart pattern will give us a breakout very soon. Maybe, okay, this is the 22% over here, but we will just go for a half, that is 10%. Let's not risk it. Let's just go for a half, which is 10%. That's the thing which we'll go for. Okay, it's a bearish pennant chart pattern. We'll try to put as much as possible in this trade. Okay, as much as possible. I just want to see if there is any strength changes in the market. This is completely, we can clearly observe it's a bearish pennant chart pattern only. Okay, clearly it is possible, it is same. Okay, after these things, we'll try to enter at somewhere, some breakout over here. It might go up till here and then again it can fall, but we will try to enter at somewhere at this point. Bearish pennant chart pattern only. Okay, clearly it is possible, it is same. Okay, after these things, we'll try to enter at somewhere, some breakout over here. It might go up till here and then again it can fall, but we will try to enter at somewhere at this point. 527, 527, 527. Shall I go from 527? Five to seven. 527. 527. 527. Shall I go from 527? Bearish pennant pattern. BTC future. Bearish pennant pattern. BTC future short sell trade. Okay. Breakout entry we have to do somewhere around here. We will get a breakout somewhere around here. That's our breakout entry. Okay. Wait for breakout entry and go for short sell. Target will be your this price is your target, the tip of this, which is basically 456.456. Even if you just put 456, that is also fine, I guess. 456 will be your target. Target is 456. Target. Target is over here 4536. I will put even if you just put 456, that is also fine, I guess. 456 will be your target. Target is 456. Target is over here 456 for XMR. New target for XMR. New. It's a new target for XMR. Right now there is no strength in the market, which is completely fine because it's Saturday. It's Friday actually, the last day. Maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, we will see this thing. Okay, there is gonna be a downfall in the XMR. We are gonna capture 10% of the market. If you can just see, it's almost 10. It's almost like 10%, 10.81% of the market we will capture very easily. This is what? This is your XMR trade, which I am giving to all of you people. Okay, this is XMR. 10% of the market we can capture very, very easily. We have to wait for the breakout. Breakout is not yet given by the market. Okay, breakout is yet not given by the market, but whenever it gives a breakout, that's a point for us to enter in the market. This is for XMRs. Okay, so we have to wait for the breakout. Breakout is not yet given by the market. Okay, breakout is yet not given by the market, but whenever it gives a breakout, that's a point for us to enter in the market. This is for XMRs. Okay, this is one XMRC. Let's see, any other coin was IPC. Zao gold to I don't know. Yeah. Gold I'm not interested in gold right now because there is no high of it. Like where will I go? What target shall I put for it? Like what is an approx target for me to go for gold at right now? I can't decide it. There is no approx target for me in the gold anymore. So going for a gold buy trade will require some XYZ amount of target to me. Right now point, even if I say ki like okay, this is higher high, from higher low market will go higher low. I have just this much target, which is just going from 942 to 9464. That's all is my target. I cannot achieve bigger profit from that. Gold, or do you want me to go for gold? Small target. But I don't know if it's a short target. We already had a such great investment in the market. This is all gonna go out one day. Okay, this is all gonna pump out from the market. Everything is gonna get pumped out from the market soon. Small target. But I don't know if it's a short target. We already had a such great investment in the market. This is all gonna go out one day. Okay, this is all gonna pump out from the market. Everything is gonna get pumped out from the market soon. 4943. Enter, not enter, enter, not enter, enter, not enter. 4943. Enter, not enter, enter, not enter, enter, not enter. एक सेकंड यहाँ पे मार्केट रिजेक्शन 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 टैप अगेन कंप्लीट रिजेक्शन 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 market has not tapped. I think market will retest this level again. Yes. Market will retest this level again. Four nine six one. 4961 level will be retested in the market for very sure. For very sure, this level will be retested in the market. Or is market right now trying to make a lower low, lower high, and then we start dropping down? My hopes are that this point will be retested. But after a complete down retesting doesn't look. Is market right now trying to make a lower low, lower high, and then start dropping? For sure, but Bitcoin is falling, right? Bitcoin falling is not actually falling. That's the one thing which is giving me hope. Let's go check out Reson USD. Resolvent 0.1. What? We were here, the 4-hour demand. From here straight up, the market is here. That's nice. Resolve went 0.1% up. We were here, the 4-hour demand. From here straight up, the market is here. That's nice. Welcome user 454605. Resolve went 0.1% up. 0.1 it touched. And that's nice. You can see exactly from that 4-hour demand zone, our market had a very good demand. I should have paid some focus. Focus. say exactly from that 4-hour demand zone or market had a very good demand. I should have paid some focus. Okay, this can be, I can consider this as my target. That is a target which I can consider for myself. Okay, this can be, I can consider this as my target. That is a target which I can consider for myself. 0.109, 0.109. Okay, that's the target over here. Shall we go for a buy? Extreme buy. 0.1. Just see how much percentage market will go up. Almost 8.63% of the market we can capture. Almost 8.63% of the market we can capture. Okay. Just see how much percentage market will go up. Almost 8.63% of the market we can capture. Almost 8.63% of the market we can capture. Okay. Even if it comes down, it will come down till here only because that's the fair value gap for last. Okay. We can capture this. I will increase my stop loss till here because that is a stop. There is a fair value gap over there. That's why I'm making this as my stop loss, and from there we can easily capture 1 is to 35% of the market. Let's go for resolve USDT. We'll take a trade in resolve USDT. Because that is a stop. There is a fair value gap over there. That's why I'm making this as my stop loss, and from there we can easily capture 1 is to 35% of the market. Let's go for resolve USDT. We'll take a trade in resolve USDT. What was my email? What my email? Yes, ZB at the rate. Yes, ZB at the rate. 143365. One 43365. Login successful. Let's try to enter in the resolve USDT. 0 point login successful. Let's try to enter in the resolve USDT. 0.1005. Let's enter limit order 0.10055. That's the price. I will enter 55. Why? 0.10055. That's the price. I will enter 55. Why? 53 market order को कुछ आता है 535. Okay, let me suppose here. I can solve the USDT market 53 on USDT. Open long order placed. That's my order over here. I can see my order. Open order over here. Okay. 1015. Right now market is not there, but it will come down soon. Okay. Once it comes down, our order will get placed, and that's my entry. That's my trade for today. Target we will keep is 10.109. Half target over here. This is a half target TP1. TP1, and this is TP2. Okay, TP1 and TP2. This is the two things which you can see over here. TP1, TP2. Oh, my order got executed. Position is executed. I'm having $733 profit from over here. Okay, my TP1, TP2. If I come at TP1, which is at 0.10464, $9 profit till now point. Okay, I hope you all people are entering in this market. Okay, right now point. Okay, hello user 982929. I have given you a trade over here, earning till now I have earned $15 profit from it. Okay, you can clearly see my profit over here. I'm earning profit. My TP1 is at 0.1046. That's the profit which you can take. Just click on take a trade and take this trade in resolve USDT. TP1 0.10466. That's the target. If I just put a price over here, 0.10466. I don't want to say 100%. I will earn 128 from the market. Confirm my target. Okay. Please do enter in the market. This is a place for all of you people to enter in the market. Okay. Resolve one USDT. Resolve USDT. Enter in the market right now to gain a good amount of profit. Till now point is 30, 31, 33 USDT, which you can see of the market. TP1, TP2. Okay. $32 till now point we have achieved from the market. My entry was this was my entry. TP1 is at 0.10466. That is TP1. Okay. Simple, easy target. Slowly, slowly will achieve. Till now point 12% profit we have achieved from the market. 12% profit till now point we have achieved in the market. Okay. $16, 16.8, $18 profit. That's a good amount of it. Slowly, slowly will achieve it. Okay. Keep your target over here, 0.10466. Got it? 0.10466 is your profit. Take profit. TP. User 837310, please make sure to enter in the trade entry. You can enter at right now market as well, and your take profit target will be 0.10466 is first, and TP2 is at almost 0.926. Okay, take the trade right now. Click on take a trade and take the trade. Please enter in the market at right now point. We are trading at Resolve USDT. I'll just write it over here. Let's write in caps. Resolve USDT future long slash buy trade. Okay. Resolve USDT future long slash buy trade. Make it happen right now. Till now point $10 profit I've earned. Okay. Let's go see now. Shall I put everything over here? Market 20%. Hello, user 837310. Welcome. I'm thinking of investing in gold. Let me see XMR because XMR is also giving us a breakout scenario. This is XMR's breakout scenario. Okay. Once XMR starts giving us a breakout, we'll also enter target is 456 USDT. Right now, we are not able to see the breakout, but soon we will see it. BTC is also showing a drop, a good breakout. BTC is also giving us a breakout exactly from the place which I had drawn. Bullish, bearish pennant. Exactly from there we are able to see a breakout. Shall we enter in the BTC? 1.1%, 3.5%. What to do? BTC breakout, BTC breakout, BTC breakout. Till now, point one trade. When I get confirmation of BTC, I will give you BTC trade as well. Okay. Right now, I'm not having confirmation. It gave a breakout, but from that, again, the trend line support up, it is going. Okay. Once I get confirmation on this breakout, we will go for that as well. Till now, point no confirmation. If I get a confirmation, then we'll go for this trade. Three, 86 86198 86198 profit 86198 somewhere around 86198 will achieve our profit 86198 okay. If it gives a breakout right now, it is not having a breakout. Okay, do not go for a breakout situation, but please do go for a resolve USD. I have given a resolve USD trade. This is my resolve USD trade for right now. 1 hour. Okay, this is the trade in resolve USDT. Entry and target TP1 is at 0.0.04 0.10466. Right now you can clearly see I am having how much $12 profit in the market. If I hit my target, I will have $128 profit. Right now, till now, profit is just 11 USDT. This is in Resolve BUSDT. Will go above. I don't have to worry regarding it. Eight. Rejection is good, but I'm not because it is not crossing that trend line support. That trend line support he is taking. That's the reason why I'm not telling you to go for a short trade at right now. But okay. Rejection is good, but I'm not because it is not crossing that trend line support. That trend line support he is taking. That's the reason why I'm not telling you to go for a short trade at right now. After we get a breakout, we'll enter over here. Okay. I need this breakout. So it's not going below that level. After we get a breakout, we'll enter over here. Okay. I need this breakout. So it's not going below that level. It can be considered as a fake breakout. Okay. If it doesn't give a breakout, then it is a fake breakout. It can be considered as a fake breakout. Okay. If it doesn't give a breakout, then it is a fake breakout. Trendline support still going on. Trendline support still going on. $23 minus, but I'm not afraid of that. Okay, we'll achieve higher growth. 21 minus we are going at right now point, but I'm very sure that even though market can come till this point, I've kept my stop loss below that only because there is a one fair value gap over here. I've already thought about it that my fair value at some point it can tap to that fair value gap over here. Okay, that is completely fine by me. Let it tap to a fair value gap, and from then we will go for a buy trade. Like the trade will again become a long. Till this point, I've kept my stop loss below that only because there is a one fair value gap over here. I've already thought about it that my fair value that some point it can tap to that fair value gap over here. That is completely fine by me. Let it tap to a fair value gap, and from then we will go. The trade will again become a long. We are minus $33, but that is totally fine. Okay, minus $33 we are. So it is completely fine because there is, like I said, I saw one fair value gap already over here. This is that one fair value gap which will be tapped in the market, and then we can go ahead. We are minus $33, but that is totally fine. Okay, minus $33 we are. So it is completely fine because there is, like I said, I saw one fair value gap already over here. This is that one fair value gap which will be tapped in the market, and I'll go for a break. I'll come back in after 5 minutes. Okay, just after 5 minutes, I'll be back. For a break, I'll come back in after 5 minutes. Okay, just after 5 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, we are back. Let's just go check our Resolve USD trade over here. What's happening with our Resolve? Okay, we again came in the profit scenario. We are at the $11 profit till now. $11 profit till now point. Let's go. Let's just go check our Resolve USD trade over here. What's happening with our Resolve? Okay. We again came in the profit scenario. We are at the $11 profit till now. G Khan, welcome on the live stream. जी खान, मैंने ट्रेड लिया है रिसॉल्व यूएसडीटी में, आप भी वही ट्रेड लो। अभी तक का प्रॉफिट मेरा $29 है। इस 28 अभी तक का प्रॉफिट $28 है। आप भी रिसॉल्व यूएसडीटी में फ्यूचर में लॉन्ग में ट्रेड लगाओ। टारगेट है यहाँ पे 0.10466, ये मैंने अपना टारगेट रखा हुआ है। ये टारगेट आप भी अपने ट्रेड में यहाँ पे लगा लीजिए। अगर अभी तक आपने डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है तो पहले तो डिपॉजिट कर लीजिए एंड फिर ट्रेड ले लीजिए, ठीक है। वेलकम यूजर 199822, वेलकम यूजर 57538। जिन जिन लोग भी अभी आ रहे हैं इस ट्रेड पे, प्लीज मेक श्योर टू अंडरस्टैंड, टेक अ रिसॉल्व यूएसडीटी ट्रेड, ठीक है। अभी तक का यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट आप देख पा रहे होंगे 17, यहाँ पे भी आपको प्रॉफिट दिख पा रहा होगा, यहाँ पे भी अभी देख पा रहे होंगे प्रॉफिट, ठीक है। अब ये एंट्री मैंने जो ली है, मैंने 0.10053 पे लिए। अभी आपको अगर करंट वाले मार्केट प्राइस पे भी एंटर करते हो तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है। टारगेट इसका है 0.10466, ठीक है। ये पहला ट्रेड मैंने दिया है। इसके अलावा अभी ये मेरे को ट्रेड में प्रॉफिट कितना मिल रहा है, अभी करंट में $17 $15 का प्रॉफिट है अभी मार्केट में, ठीक है। अभी तक मुझे जो इतना मिला है, इसके अलावा भी मैंने एक बीटीसी का भी ट्रेड है जो अभी तक है नहीं, मतलब और मेरे को लगता है यहाँ पे और कंसल्ट करेगा, ऊपर जाएगा नीचे जाएगा और फिर कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से ब्रेक देके मैंने अभी टारगेट यहाँ रखा हुआ है, पर ये इसके नीचे भी जाएगा। इसको ये तो बहुत छोटा टारगेट दिया है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मार्केट थोड़ी और थोड़ा हल्का सा कंसल्ट करके ऊपर जाएगी ही जाएगी मार्केट पक्की से। ठीक है। और दूसरा मेरा एक एक्सएमआर में भी है, एक्सएमआर में भी मैंने ट्रेड दिया है एक, एक्सएमआर का ट्रेड भी एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड है। टारगेट इसका 456 यूएसडी तक है, पर अभी तक ब्रेकआउट नहीं मिला है। ब्रेकआउट मिलने के बाद ही एंट्री लेंगे, ठीक है। ये बस एक बेरिश पैरेंट पैटर्न बना है यहाँ पे, जैसे ही हमें ब्रेकआउट मिलता है उस ब्रेकआउट के बाद ही हम एंट्री लेंगे, उसके पहले एंट्री नहीं लेंगे। एक्सएमआर में भी मैंने ट्रेड दिया है एक, एक्सएमआर का ट्रेड भी एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड है। टारगेट इसका 456 यूएसडी तक है, पर अभी तक ब्रेकआउट, ठीक है। ब्रेकआउट मिलने के जैसे इसमें ब्रेकआउट मिलता है हम उसमें भी एंट्री ले लेंगे, पर ब्रेकआउट के पहले नहीं लेंगे, ब्रेकआउट ही एंट्री लेंगे बस। ये ट्रेंड लाइन पे कभी भी सपोर्ट लेके मार्केट वापस से ऊपर जा सकता है, चांसेस है। ठीक है, जैसे इसमें ब्रेकआउट मिलता है हम उसमें भी एंट्री ले लेंगे, पर ब्रेकआउट के पहले। तो ये दो ट्रेड है। एक्सएमआर का ट्रेड तो पावरफुल लग रहा है, ये जरूर ब्रेकआउट देगा नीचे की तरफ में, बस वही है कि ब्रेकआउट कहाँ पे और कब मिल जाएगा। जैसे ही ब्रेकआउट मिल जाएगा वैसे ही हम एंट्री ले लेंगे। अभी तो फोकस करते हैं रिसॉल्व यूएसडी पे ही, क्योंकि यही अच्छा टारगेट दे रहा है अभी। $26, $25 ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं मार्केट में। अगर ये मेरा टारगेट हिट हो जाता है, टीपी मेरा हिट हो जाता है यहाँ पे, तो मुझे लगभग प्रॉफिट मिलेगा यहाँ पे $128 का। मेरा कल का प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, ये मेरा कल का प्रॉफिट है। मेरे यहाँ पे $99.5 मैंने कमाए थे कल। ये मेरे कल का प्रॉफिट है। $25 ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं मार्केट में। अगर ये मेरा टारगेट हिट हो जाता है, मेरा हिट हो जाता है यहाँ पे, तो मुझे लगभग प्रॉफिट मिलेगा यहाँ पे $128 का। मेरा कल का प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, ये मेरा कल का प्रॉफिट है। मेरे यहाँ पे $99.5 मैंने कमाए थे कल। ये मेरे कल का प्रॉफिट है। $33 profit till now point. $33 profit. Good trade is going on. Resolve USD. Please, people, make sure to enter in this market. Do not forget not to enter in this market. $28 profit till now point. $33 profit till now point. Resolve USD trade. Okay. Resolve USD. Please, people, make sure to enter in this market. I want to watch XMR in the different. Please. Resolve USD trade. Okay. I want to watch XMR in the different. Welcome user 997053. Welcome on the live stream. Please take the Resolve USD trade over here. Till now, 0.25% of profit I have earned from this market. The TP is first take profit is 0.10466. Go and take a trade right now. If you want to earn a profit, then take a trade right now. $36 profit I am in right now in the market. $36 profit. The TP is first take profit is 0.10466. Go take a trade right now. If you want to earn a profit, then take a trade right now. 36. Welcome user 918265. Welcome on the live stream. $39 profit till now point. $40 profit. Welcome user 918265. Welcome on the live stream. $39 profit till now point. Profit is increasing, market is going up. Do not forget to take such entries in the market. Do not forget. $39 profit till now point. Profit is increasing, market is going up. Do not forget to take such entries in the market. Do not forget. $69 profit. The profit is increasing. $72 profit till now point. 71. This is a very good trade we are having right now. TP1 is just 0.1046 is that's all. That is the only TP which you have to achieve today. $72 profit till now point. 71. This is a very good trade we are having right now. TP1 is just 0.1046 is that's all. That is the only TP which you have to achieve today. $85 profit till now point. 85. Guys, go and take a trade. $85 profit you are right now seeing on the market. 89. Very close to achieve my first target, which is 0.10466. Profit till now point. 85. Guys, go and take a trade. $85 profit you are right now seeing on the market. 88, 93. Let's go. Very close to achieve our target, guys. Make sure to take a trade in this Resolve USDT. Very close to achieve my TP1. 88, 93. Let's go. Very close to achieve our target, guys. Make sure to take a trade in this Resolve USDT. Very close to achieve my TP1. 86. Again, market is a little bit falling down, but that is totally fine. Till now point we are having $60 profit. Go and take a trade right now in the Resolve USDT if you want to earn a good amount of profit. Right now, $60 profit I have earned, and my target is simply over here 0.10466. Go and take a trade right now, or else you will be regretting such a huge amount of profit right in front of you. If you want to earn a good amount of profit. Right now, $60 profit I have earned, and my target is simply over here 0.10466. Go and take a trade right now, or else you will be regretting such a huge amount of profit right in front of you. Welcome user 79150. Everybody go and take a trade right now in the Resolve USDT, because it is making me earn almost $57 profit I have till right now point. You can earn more from it. Go and take a trade in Resolve USDT. I have given you everything: entry, take profit, everything is mentioned over here. Just click on the take a trade and take the trade. Take a trade right now in the Resolve USDT, because it is making me earn almost $57 profit I have till right now point. You can earn more from it. Go and take a trade in Resolve USDT. I have given you everything: entry, take profit, everything is mentioned over here. Just click on the take a trade and take the trade. $47 profit. Will achieve more greater profit from this trade. $47 profit. Will achieve more greater profit from this trade. $48 profit till now point. Go and take a trade in the Resolve USDT. $48 profit till now point. Go and take a trade in the Resolve USDT. $46 profit till now point. Let's go, guys. Go and take a trade right now. Welcome user 899250. Go and take a trade in Resolve USDT. Right now, I'm having a profit of $47. If you want to achieve a big profit, go tap on take a trade and take a trade in Resolve USDT. Target I've mentioned is TP1 is 0.10466. That's the target. Go and take a trade right now. Just tap on the take a trade target over here. Okay. Just simply click on here, take a trade over here, and just take the trade. Okay. That's all. That's all you have to do. Nothing else. Just tap on take a trade and take the trade. Welcome user 307584. I have taken a trade in Resolve USDT, which is giving me almost $48 profit till now point. Just click on this, just click on take a trade option over here. Just click on this and you will enter over here. Just go and take a trade right now in the market. Just go and take a trade in Resolve USDT. Open long over here. If you are using easy mode, then just go for a buy. That's all. That's all you have to do. Okay. Good amount of profit we are achieving. Welcome. Yeah. Thanks. Just tap on the trade option. Just tap on the trade option and take a trade right now. Good amount of profit we are achieving. Yeah. Thanks. Just tap on the trade option. Just tap on the trade option and take a trade right now. $35 profit. It's going to be a very awesome profitable trade. Go and take a trade right now. All the people. $35 profit. It's going to be a very awesome profitable trade. Go and take a trade right now. All the people. $51 profit, $51 profit we are at right now. 54. Let's go. $54 profit at right now point. If you want to achieve same profit, go and take a trade. Tap and take the trade option right now. $1 profit, $60 profit. 60 $60 profit we are at right now. $54 profit at right now point. If you wanna achieve same profit, go and take a tap and take the trade option right now. $60 profit. 62 $60 profit I am at right now. Go and take a trade right now. If you want to achieve a same profit, and do tell me what is your balance, like what kind of amount you are having, so that I can tell you what kind of leverage you can pick on that, so that you can enhance your trade to enhance your profit. $64 profit we are at right now. $64 profit. $64 profit we are at right now. $64 profit. 46, a little rejection, but rejection is an entry of yours. Okay. Six, a little rejection, but rejection is an entry of yours. Okay. 43, little rejection, but still we will achieve our target soon in a very good profit. $42 is a very good profit. Little rejection, but still we will achieve our target soon in a very good profit. $42 is a very good profit. $14 profit. Do not forget to take entries. $14 profit. Do not forget to take entries. $54 profit. Again, we are back at $54 profit. Let's go. $55 plus still right now point. Let's go, guys. Go and take a trade right now. What are you guys waiting for? $60. We are back at $60 profit. 60. We are back at $60 profit. 54. Soon we'll have a like a legit pump like this. Okay, make sure that you are attending that pump. 54. Soon we'll have a like a legit pump like this. Okay, make sure that you are attending. 48. We will. What is happening with other accounts? Friends will also check. Is with the rejection from there? No, not, not touched till there. What's happening with BTC? Very mixed signals from the BTC. It is gonna give a breakout, but it's not even giving a breakout. It's like mixed signals from the BTC. This breakout will come, but not right now, I think. Next was XMR. XMR we'll also check out once again. XMR is at 0.1. Closely observe XMR, okay, closely, because XMR is going to give you good amount of benefit, good amount of profit in the trade. Short trade target I've already mentioned 456 in the market. Okay, that's the target for XMR. Let's go back into this saw. Closely observe XMR, okay, closely, because XMR is going to give you good amount of benefit, good amount of profit in the trade. Short trade target I've already mentioned 456 in the market. Okay, that's the target for XMR. Let's go back into this saw. $53 profit till now point. Okay, nothing else. $53 profit. That's all. How fast? I want the market to move fast. It will move slow. That's why I hate to watch 1 hour candles, because 1 hour candle will take a long time to give us XYZ amount of profit or any movement in the market. Okay, probably see this is like after 20 minutes I'll be, after 30 minutes, last 30 minutes of the live stream, after 30 minutes I'll be gone. Okay, even if I am gone, you have to make sure that you are taking a trade and you are having this profit. Okay, this is TP1 separate. Okay, TP1 I will put it over here. Like after 20 minutes I'll be TP1, TP2. Target over here is what? 0.10466. That's your target. Please achieve this target. Take a trade with this target. You are missing out a very good opportunity if you are not taking a trade in this target. Okay, a very good opportunity you are missing out. I am not singing. There is no video of me singing. Okay, just there is a Chinese class happening with singing, doing something. $60. We are back at $60. Let's go. I am not singing. There is no video of me singing. Okay, just there is a Chinese class happening with singing, doing something. $60. We are back at $60. Let's go. $64 profit. Let's go. 64, 64, 64, 67, $64 profit. Let's go. 64, 64, 64, 67, 74, $74 profit. I can see it on the screen right over there. $70 profit. Go and have a trade in Resolve USDT right. Okay, soon will be touched. I want it to be here. 0.10466. That's all. That's the target. That's the most smallest target which you can achieve right now today. How much percentage of the market are we capturing? We just talk about that. Let's just see any percentage of the market, like from here to here. We are gonna capture almost 4% of the market. Okay, 4% of the market we are capturing. User 837310, take a resolve USD trade. हिंदी में बताओ तो जाके रिसॉल्व यूएसडी ट्रेड को टैप करके वहां पे लॉन्ग का ट्रेड लो. अभी मुझे या अभी तक का प्रॉफिट बता रहा हूँ. ये मेरी एंट्री यहाँ पे है. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का प्रॉफिट मेरा $59 का है. मतलब नहीं नहीं बोल के $60 का प्रॉफिट मुझे अभी तक मिल चुका है. इसके आगे भी मैंने अपना टारगेट कहाँ रखा हुआ है? 0.10466 का. ठीक है, तो सिंपली ये मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम है. यहाँ पे ये ट्रेड के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके ट्रेड लो अभी रिसॉल्व यूएसडीटी में एंड प्रॉफिट कमाओ जोरदार वाला. ठीक है, इसके आगे भी मैंने अपना टारगेट कहाँ रखा हुआ है? अरे अरे 0.10466 का. $62 का प्रॉफिट हो चुका है अभी तक मार्केट में. हमें रिसॉल्व यूएसडीटी में ट्रेड लेके मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा भी हुआ है रिसॉल्व यूएसडीटी फ्यूचर लॉन्ग स्लैश बाय ट्रेड. ठीक है, ये ट्रेड है अपना. यहाँ पे लिख दिया है मैंने ऑलरेडी. इसको मैं साइड कर देता हूँ. $62 का प्रॉफिट है. जाके प्लीज ट्रेड लो. वेलकम यूजर फ्रॉम इंडोनेशिया 653833. Please take a Resolve USDT trade. This is the coin. Can you see a coin? Resolve USDT. That's the coin. And this is my profit which I'm having. $69 profit I'm having till now point. And my target is what? 0.1046 is TP1. TP2 is over here. Okay. So please go and take this trade right now. All the people, just simply one thing you have to do, click on the trade option over here. Okay, this is simply just click on the trade. It will take you to the Resolve USD directly. Okay, just go and take a trade right now in the market. $74 profit I'm having right now. $74 profit on the same amount of profit. Okay, and plus if you want to have such kind of trade signals from my side, simply go and click on the Telegram channel. I post everything over there, every trade signal. Whenever I take a trade, I post over there when to take a trade, how much profit, how much trade, everything. Go and join my Telegram channel. This is my first channel. Okay, join Telegram group channel, fans group. Click on this. It will take you with zibit.com live with Yash. Okay, can you see zibit.com live with Yash? There are already 100 members, 100 people who are earning profit daily in that group. So be a part of that on the same amount of profit which I am making you guys earn. Join that group. 76.835 USDT profit. 71 dollar profit we are having till now point. It will get closed soon. Soon I will also leave this live stream and it will get closed soon. $79 reaching 80, reached 80, $80 profit I can see in the market at right now point. $77 profit. Welcome user 370718. Make sure to go and take the trade in Resolve USDT. And if you are a new user, please make sure to do a deposit over here. Yeah, please make sure to go and make a deposit over here. Okay, if you are a new user, you want to earn one Dogecoin completely for free of cost, make sure that you are earning a deposit, or just click on this and earn a deposit from me. That's all. Please make sure to do a deposit over here. 79. Yeah, please make sure to go and make a deposit over here. Okay, if you are a new user, you want to earn one Dogecoin completely for free of cost, make sure that you are earning a deposit, or just click on this and earn a deposit from me. That's all. 79. $76 profit. $76 profit. $75 profit till now point. A good amount of profit. $75 profit till now point. A good amount of profit. $76. Welcome user 711943. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Hi. Hello. How may I can help you today? If you want to earn profit, then take a trade in Resolve VUSDT. Okay, and the take profit is right over here. This is the target 0.10466, and another target is over here, which is 0.10930. That's a target, high target, low target. Okay, pick your own target, whatever target you want to achieve. I'm already at $67 profit. Okay, plus if you have any questions, any doubt, anything, please ask me on the comment section. And another target is over here, which is 0.10930. That's a target, high target, low target. Okay, pick your own target, whatever target you want to achieve. I'm already at $67 profit. Okay, plus if you have any questions, any doubt, anything, please ask me on the comment section. We came back to 52 from 80. We came back to 52. That is okay, totally fine. Market will have that movement of up and down, up and down. That is called as volatility. Okay, it will have that movement. But main thing you need to remember is the target will be achieved. Whenever market is coming down a little, that is an opening for you to enter in the market. Welcome user 386924. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. Up and down, up and down. That is called as volatility. If you want anything, any doubt, anything you have, please ask me in the comment section. I will solve it. If not, then take a trade in Resolve USDT right now. Please do take a trade in Resolve USDT. Welcome user 386924. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. If you want anything, any doubt, anything you have, please ask me in the comment section. I will solve it. If not, then take a trade in Resolve USDT right now. Please do take a trade in Resolve USDT. $56. Buy the dip, guys. Buy the dip because this target will achieve very soon. $56. Buy the dip, guys. Buy the dip because this target will achieve very soon. $63 profit till now. Point on ROI is 40%. 39.7 is basically 40% of ROI is already covered. Okay, already covered. $63 profit till now. Point on ROI is 40%. 39.7 is basically 40% of ROI is already covered. Okay, already covered. 64. Soon this live stream is going to get over. Please do take a trade right now. And after live stream, if you want help from my side, then join this Telegram group. Click on the more option over here and join Telegram group over here. Soon this live stream is going to get over. Please do take a trade right now. And after live stream, if you want help from my side, then join this Telegram group. Click on the more option over here and join Telegram group over here. $43 profit. It is dipping a little, but that is totally fine. Like I said for you, dip is a situation where you should go for buy situation. $43 profit. It is dipping a little, but that is totally fine. Like I said for you, dip is a situation where you should go for buy situation. $48 profit. $48 profit. 47. Why the dip? Why the dip? Why the dip? It's not a big dip, it's a very, very, very small dip, and that's completely fine. 47. Why the dip? Why the dip? Why the dip? See, Bitcoin again went completely up, straight up. It's not a big dip, it's a very, very, very small dip, and that's completely fine. It didn't give a breakout. Probably it will go up again. Like straight up, I'm saying. Set to the price of maybe let's say 98 or 95 or maybe in between somewhere. It didn't give a breakout. Probably it will go up again. Like straight up, I'm saying. Set to the price of maybe let's say 98 or 95 or maybe in between somewhere. $58 profit. $58 profit. Welcome user 893958. Welcome on the live stream. Please make sure to click on the deposit button, do a deposit, and earn one Dogecoin completely for free of cost from my side. Okay. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, please go on here and join my Telegram channel. Right now, I'm giving you a trade of Resolve USDT. Already in the profit of $41 profit I am at right now. We will go and achieve this target. 0.10466 is the today's target. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, please go on here and join my Telegram channel. Right now, I'm giving you a trade of Resolve USDT. Already I'm in the profit of $41 profit I am at right now. We will go and achieve this target. 0.10466 is the today's target. Right now, I'm giving you a trade of Resolve USDT. 40 rejection on peak. This might be that rejection where it will shoot up straight. Okay, this is my time. I'm gonna leave in 3 minutes. I'll be off. This is my time. I'm gonna leave in 3 minutes. I'll be off. $40 profit. $40 profit. 39. Okay. So this is my time. Thank you so much everybody for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's timing will be changed. I will be coming live by 12 to 4 tomorrow. Okay. So please make sure that tomorrow's timing will be 12 to 4. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is my bye bye. The live stream is done. Please make sure to complete the target, which is 0.10466. Keep your target alive. It will hit for very sure. Okay.